What? I'm fine.
No, girl, I me first grab it up. You can get $100 out of here.
$100?
Mama,
Girl, I'm
Mama, how much you
$1,000
want?
that day.
I'm gonna give you $100.
Girl, give me money.
No.
Yeah. I'm fine.
Mama, me grab up the money first.
So you can't share money?
$100. If you want 100, you can get $100.
No, $100 too. But girl.
You want $50 then?
What? Yeah, eat that.
You want one big draw?
No.
Mama, you not getting. You not getting. And that me say you not getting.
So if you not take $100 and give me the rest.
Mama, me first grab it up.
Give me money. Girl.
Later, sis.
I said, we people look at me and come and see the girl and beat up my sister. And me help her, she run girl left me. Alright. Alright.
What you say what? She do what? Me tired of that little girl, you know, me tired of her. Me tired of the two of them. Wait till she come home. Alright. Yeah, man, thank you for telling me. Yeah. Alright. Now mark time, man. Can't take them. You come.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. You come, what you do?
Me not do nothing, me just a look.
What you did there?
Down on my friend.
Which friend?
You don't know her.
How you for her friend and me don't know them?
But
Which
Kayla
friend
there,
you
you
have,
ask
sir?
me where Kayla there.
Hi. And can you see Kayla right now? Me will deal with Kayla, the one Kayla when she come in. And you me see, are you there in front of me right now? So you me I deal with. Look at me when I'm talking to you. Look at me when I talk to you, little girl. Me I know your friend, me and your mother. You want me to open your eyes for you? Oh. Talk the truth. Bear in mind, so me get phone call already, you know. So hold on. Bear in mind, so me don't know the truth already. So, where you did really there?
Down the road.
Down the road with who?
My friend.
Which friend?
I don't know her name.
You have a friend and don't know her name? Check again. Me giving you one more chance, little girl. Remember, so me know the truth, you know. Look at me. Remember, so me know the truth. So nobody go around me. And nobody raise my pressure today before me raise my hand and me raise my foot. Talk to me, little girl. What you did there and really tell me the truth. Come here say you down the street I cause problem and I cause fight. Me give you a hint. What you did there?
I never me. I'll tell you. We I walk good on the road and I say I go buy bag juice. Kayla see the people them pick me and pick war with them. I am me a Kayla.
So what your party night?
No, me did a party war and it ends up that Kayla lick me in my face so me run come. You know see me and come up. Which part Kayla they know?
So you mean you leave your sister fighting?
Yes. So me not tell no bit.
So she's still down the road to fight?
Me not know.
A joke can't make. You not really leave your sister fight.
Me don't really leave her a fight, me leave her a walk. Me say she a come so me come up.
Alright. I better put that right now.
Better take a deep breath. Shanice, who start the fight? Please.
Kayla.
How Kayla start the fight?
How fight start, mommy? No must Kayla push the pitney and the pitney push Kayla. No, but no, the pitney push Kayla. Kayla push the pitney.
So what Kayla push up in the for?
I don't know, I feel like Kayla when you say Kayla.
Me still not understand, you know, because that's not the story me hear.
When you hear in Augusta?
Miss Monica phoned me
You
and
can't
tell
tell
me the
yes,
story.
exactly.
And she's a very reliable woman. She's a very reliable Rasta woman, she no lie. So, boy, wanna give trouble so much. Wanna tell me great before time, you know, child. So how you mean for say? You two get in a fight and you run.
No, and then
remember,
some
some never know the truth, you know.
Listen up, and then two are we get in a fight. Kayla and the people them get in a fight. Me and them not get in a fight. Kayla and them get in a fight. Me come at me yard. When I see Kayla, you ask Kayla about the war. You can't ask me about the war because I never me did a war. You can't ask me about the war because I never me did a fight. Me there home. Home me there. Don't let me the war.
Hi. Nobody raise your voice.
No, you don't
nobody
blame
raise
me.
your voice.
You
It's
don't blame
one voice
me.
raised in this yard. We're talking.
Come up here for do God.
You think some me and you think some me and your size, you think some me and your friend.
No, you're the petty Kayla. I say, oh, Monica, this is a lot of risk. Which family there? Home. Okay, Kayla there.
And which
road.
part you come from? The road.
But we come in now.
What you did do outside before you
Maybe
come
when
in?
you're on the phone, me they walk or come. You know me?
You see you're Gina, you know. But what is in the dark must come into the light. And wait. Wait. We will find out. We will find out. We done. We will find out. Go on. Come out. You wreck the head. Come out. You can't handle them, you know. And she thinks that she clever. But the pig she raised, me raised the grandmother, and the granny dead for sure. Oh God.
Mommy. Yeah.
Alright, get in here. Come in here. I want to talk to you.
What, Mommy?
What happened? Let me ask you that.
Nothing happened.
What happened on the street today? Where you come from?
Me come from off of the road.
You know that. What happened? And before you answer me talk to your sister already. I may get news on the phone. So think carefully before you answer me. And I come in and want no BS. Where you did there and what happened on the road?
Me nothing happened on the road.
Try look me in my eyes and tell me the truth, little girl. What happened on the road and where you did that and with who? Try again. You have one more chance.
Me nothing happened on the road.
So you never in no fight. Eh? You know, scratch up in no fights. May I give you a hint now? May I try to help you come and
Me
done
never
now?
dare fight nobody, Mama.
So where that this scratch come from?
Shanice.
Where that this scratch come from? You never leave the yard with it.
Shanice did I fight somebody, Mama, me go help her because I'm my sister.
Oh, so you're helping a fight now that no fight did happen 10 seconds ago. Right, take a breath. Remember the truth. Remember that word, the truth. Start again. I'm giving you one more chance. Cause my hand rise and my foot rise next.
Mommy, me a come on the road, right? Me see Shanice the fight. And I'm my sister, so me go help her and she run left me. And that happened.
So who start the fight? Come in here, say you start the fight.
No, and Shanice. And she start the fight and she me come to the fight.
She said you start the fight. No, you said she start the fight. And me really know who start the fight, you know. So go again.
I mean, I keep on telling we go over.
Because I want the truth.
But I truth me been I tell you.
Right, start from the beginning. Where you walk down the lane and see.
Mama, me I come down the lane. Me see my sister. They fight one girl. So I'm my sister, so me they go help her. So me jump in and start help her and she run left me.
So with the girl name?
Me don't know her. I have to ask Shanice one day. I'm Shanice's friend because I told them told me they fight. Me don't know her.
So with the girl then now?
I don't know, she run gone.
You deal with her?
Yes, yeah, so she beat up my sister, so me they go help my sister.
Alright. Make sure I help your sister, you know. Because I'm going to tell her, I'm going to tell you the same thing. What's in the dark, have to come in the light. You hear me, little girl? You hear me? I'm going to take it for now. Because it says three sides. Me get your side and me get her side and we will get the truth. Go on. But mine better no side the truth to tell me, you know.
But I truth.
Make sure.
Every time Shanice tells something, you come make you want to believe Shanice.
Make sure. May we find out. Little girls take me for idiots. Then I believe somebody did want young ones. Alright. We'll find out. Right, you're on the back, member say.
Hello, Miss. Good morning.
Good morning. Hello.
I come to talk to you about something, you know. You know, see your daughter, Shani, find money. And she never want to split up in between she and my daughter. And then they start fight. And she jump in there. And it will start beat her.
Me see my sister for a fight. Me must tell my sister what me I go do.
I never say nothing to help her sister. But the sister wrong. I ask the sister why she don't want to split up the money before you even jump in a conclusion.
You see, mommy, I think I didn't meet for start war. I don't have bad news.
Hey, over find money.
Yes. Over find money, them a fight for.
So, little girl, you really a fight for what is not yours?
Me and her friend, she's supposed to share the money for me and her.
Me going to deal with her, cause she not there right now. Me going to deal with her.
No, mommy, she in there. Call
She
her.
inside, call, Shanice, come here.
Call her. Call her.
What in the dark must come in the light. Come here right now. Come.
Shanice!
If me ever call you again, you're not gonna like it, little girl. Okay,
monkey.
you pause.
Come on, so.
Come down here, sir. What did I tell you? So what in the dark must come in the light? Come. Come
Me
here.
friend a farm and got me hard. Hurry up.
No, mama.
No, you need to confirm this
I mean,
first.
want to know the truth here and now.
What truth?
Go on now. You tell me. Well, you did tell me earlier. Now everybody there. Truth have to come out.
Oh,
Repeat and
me
tell me what you
$5,000 me did give her 500 she never want cash.
$5,000?
$500 me did give her
No, you see I give $100.
Mama, $500 to what you don't even know money.
Oh, you say I give $100.
No, me say I give $500. And she start beat me.
Me go to the beat yourself?
Yes.
Oh.
You must know. Me see her, I fight me sister, so me defend that. I mean, I defend you again. Because you run left
Me run left you, me run come call mommy, but mommy did suck up in her. She said she never want.
Run, come call me. Nobody bring me in. I don't want to lie, you know. Me never raised them so. Right? Me never raised them so. Where the money there, by the way?
No.
Where the money there?
You have no
That
money.
uno fine.
Actor.
She don't find
So
no
you not
money.
get none of the money. Where the money there?
Law.
It
You're too right.
It lost. Me going lost you when we get inside. Don't worry, miss. Me going to deal with my
Yes,
girls
yes,
here.
yes,
Don't worry.
deal
This
with
is not going to go undealt with. When we get inside.
Tell about
Me
my
I
company.
go deal with them.
Come.
Me I go deal with them and you deal with yours.
All
Me I go
right,
deal
yeah.
with mine.
Shut drop.
Why
Come on.
really go on? Let's turn teeth in ya. Me a teeth me raise. A teeth me raise in ya. Oh no, come here to me. I really a teeth me raise. Me know, I know you. You are defend your sister. Me good with you. Little girl, you must find the truth.
I
Me
will
tell you, so you go
when
come
you
out.
find the money on the ground. I'm a thief.
Now that is not the story you did give me earlier. Why you can't just talk the truth, little girl? Now you see, if you did talk the truth and tell me, we could have prepared. So when the lady come with our daughter, me would have know what to say. Come in and tell you enough to defend yourself, you know. Come in and raise no soft soap in here. We might all be women, but no soft soap me raise. So you defend yourself, yes, as long as you don't throw the first punch. But you never even tell me what I want. We're supposed to be family. Plus, how you run from your sister? Your sister jump in and I help you, and you run gone. Which part of unity that? You're one man show. Look at me, man. Look at me, man. I talk to you. You start a fight, little girl, over thiefiness.
Oh,
Over
is it thief
thiefiness.
when the
I am
money
talking.
is upon the
I am
ground?
talking.
I
You
thought.
start a fight over thiefiness. Your sister come defend you. Anything could have happened to her, you know. For people now fight with fits and buckle no more. A bullet and knife around the things now. And she's still running come defend you. And when everything I had you run left for her, me shame you. Me shame you for that. And then on top of it, we're supposed to be a family. And the three we are so as woman. Right? You know, even come tell me and prepare me so when the woman comes, she surprise me. I don't know what go on. Me can't even defend none of no. Because it's a surprise to me. Huh?
I should have talked to mommy.
Huh?
She not here. She not here.
Call me
She
and
go like
sweat.
that
The woman
to
just
big
come
woman.
take me off guard, so. Me couldn't even say knee nor dumb. Me just have to stand up like dummy, so. Come in and know what go on. You never even tell me the truth. Me
I
have
see.
your back, you know. We all have each other back. But you have to work with me.
I mean, I want to back on me, the pan.
Your island. One man is an island.
No, mommy, I must see the bread them. Where you must put in her ear and fool like.
Bread in your head too.
Me not fool me.
You
Yes.
not fool me, that. You guys should have built up your head.
Ah, yeah, she not
Alright.
Let me have some.
Donny Yassa. Donny Yassa.
Tell about her.
Tell about you.
Alright, here we go.
Hey, look, I'm
Hi.
back and fool
You go to the east and you turn at the west. Go on. Since your head hot on your island, go to the east. Thank you for defending your sister.
And I defend her again, she too
I
wicked.
know how it time, but fingers think you can't that shit. We're here, that's still your sister.
But she run left people, but she run gone.
Me know. But tell me something. You bust her up. And
Yeah,
see
me
she
fight
scratch up.
her. Me fight her mommy because she too bright. She want to beat up my sister. But me not help the sister again. You know, so the girl run left me feel that way. Because the girl could have fight me.
Me know. Anything could have happened.
And she run gone. Mommy, if you talk to her, mommy, because she not here.
Talk to her. Mega talk
She
to
not
her.
here, she
Come here,
too
sweat.
rude.
The thing frightened me, girl. The thing frightened me so till. When I see the woman that come in and I drag the little girl, I know say I must see that. But thank God she not come with no war. Come with her ready, you know. Me with her ready. But me and you will deal with Shanice.
Yeah,
Me and you will
Shanice
deal with
will, yeah.
Alright. Hush. Hush, me gone. Me cook a tarrag and cool down, man.
All
Too
right.
hot. Wait. Little girl, that's.
Miss, good day.
Good day.
I want to tell you something about your daughter. You know, so your daughter see me and they threaten me.
Which one of my daughter?
Shanice.
Threaten you with what?
Say, and he say, why not done yet? And he say, anytime he see me again, he go stab me up. And he say, if me
Stab
tell
you up?
Yeah, and he say, if me tell you, he go call him father. Him gunman father, and he say, father wanted.
Gunman for Shanice tell you that?
Yeah,
Let me tell you something, child. What your name again?
Riri.
Riri, let me tell you something. Shanice head hot here. For a start, me no go with gunman. Me no go with bad man. So her father is no bad man. He's a respectful man. They work here. When you're sitting on the scene, I work him there. Man no bad man. So no follow Shanice.
And he
So,
say, go bust up my face.
well, little girl, she never do it. Word is win. The blow is unkind. You tell your mother?
No, me go up and tell my mother no.
All right. You tell your mother.
Wait, see your daughter, tell me. What?
More truth are coming at the light.
I just hi me and tell your mother hi.
No. Make we sort this out here
What?
right now. Come in, I want no foolishness.
Start out what? And she said, I should tell you.
That me I say.
First start. You see this young girl again since her mother bring her to the house.
This young girl.
No?
You know see her again.
No.
So how she tell me say you threaten her and you have your gunman father. Which gunman me there with Shanice?
Me tell you that?
No, like your mother tell. I like that mother.
Hold on.
I like that
I mean your
mother.
life. Hey,
Wait,
no,
wait.
grab her up. I mean you call liar.
Right. So
You
I
never
tell
just
her.
come here and tell me say my daughter
Missy, you.
threaten
No,
you.
I like she a tell.
Who are telling
Stop
you?
telling my mother like
Now
girl.
we see who the real problem is.
Stop
Who are telling lie?
Oh,
woman,
say what
little
I'm
girl.
gonna beat me, they go call me.
Go call your mother. Go get your mother. Little
What's
liar
your
girl. Go get your mother, little liar girl.
Mommy.
Oh, liar.
Mommy. You know what say? You do something
Come,
a
if
while
we
ago,
go
me
into the
don't
shake
lie.
and my head
You do
hot.
something
Come.
a while ago, me don't lie.
What?
Imagine the girl that tell lie Panya, Kayla, the job of the girl. You know, what? She go tell lie Panya.
Listen, me a big woman.
She
When you
tell
pick
more
me a
like
fight, on the just gonna get slapped on the hand. Me a big woman. Me get little
that is
child,
a woman.
a prison me I go. I mean,
That
no,
no,
go
it's
prison
a
for no liar girl.
But she don't
Me
tell lie
want deal.
Panya.
Me
And
know,
it's false accusation.
me know, baby. Me know.
Mommy,
Hold
why
on.
does she know everything?
Me know.
I 2025 now. A war time.
It's alright. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Here, there's more than one. Make we wait for the
I
mother.
one way me know about
When
that.
the mother come,
the
we'll
mother,
deal
the
with
mother war with the mother find we
Well,
are
if it's
come
war,
with a
war.
gun.
But there's more than one way to skin a cat. Cool down, Shan.
I have to say to your mommy is that she go and send you a prison and not going to business because me a defend you and you will have my hand. Where you will have my hand
She
for?
not worth it. Because if she bring the mother and the mother come with any foolishness, she take one beat the other.
Alright, come, we'll go home.
Alright,
If they need we, then find we
Let
are.
them come find me. Can we tell them where to find me?
Mommy, me say one of them gang up like them and beat me. See me?
Know yourself, man. Me there for you.
I know how she a bounce and
Bound
so
and
in
now,
my yard.
yard.
Hello, now you tell me that alone.
Nobody trouble your daughter.
Hi, mother,
Mama, let me ask you
Hold
something.
on, hold on.
You
hold
have
on.
papers for
Let
coming
the
in
two
here?
mothers talk first. Can you come decent the first
Mommy, right
time?
there, you're not mother, and you're grandmother right
Hold
now.
on.
Can you them-
Calm down. Your daughter meet me on the road. Little while, yeah? She tell, hold on, little girl. Mothers to mothers talking. Know your place. Me calm my ones down. Your daughter meet me on the road and tell me, say, Shanice, my young one, meet her and tell her, say, this not over. The earlier fight, it not over, and she go stab her, and she go bring her bad man father for kill her. Me explaining to your daughter, say, one, me no go with bad man. An ambitious man me there with. And anybody in the area now see my man at train my work. So Shanice not no bad man father for come here. Right? Me explain everything. Hold on now. Me explain everything. My girls are come. Your daughter run go tell them say me a lie. And me is a liar. Me a correct your daughter. And then she start cuss me and run out so she go get her mother. So me tell her to go get her mother. And she do it. So me I tell you mother to mother how we go.
Okay, then.
Yes, my daughter lie. But your daughter lie too. Me want to know how you are coming and jerk
Hello,
yourself
miss.
in my yard.
Enough of this. Stop it now. Let me talk. She not wrong, you not done. Cause nobody not beat my daughter and it go so. So you not done.
You not
so
done?
you hear me I say to you no.
Say it now.
You see, if you grow up here picking them good, you don't walk a tea people money.
Well, if you never grow your daughter walla for where for money, find money that is not even hers, and she walla and where for find money. So before you to remove the mold from my eyes, remove it from yours. Me already admits me have to deal with my picnic them. But you're going like say for you picnic shit no stink. You're going like say for you picnic shit no stink.
Hello.
Sweet.
Hello, stop your nice. Stop your nice. Because you're going to see you're putting them a good people.
You hear me
good
say that?
people.
You hear me say
And
that?
that's what
You
you're
never hear me
saying
say me
right
I
now.
go deal with them.
Man,
Me
I
and hear me say I go deal with them.
Shut up,
You're
your
not
mouth.
right, please.
Oh,
You
yeah,
can't
that's
speak
what
of
my
it for
mother-
our own
Hey,
yard,
hey,
here.
that's
Back
what
in the day, our own yard. They're coming and tell my picnic in our own yard.
So why we
Shut
not?
your mouth. Who you so?
You know what this?
Who you so?
You know what?
Come on. Yes, come on. Pick it up, Shanice. Pick it up and run them. Run them. Come out to the yard. Come out. Come out. Come out. Lick her. Yes, lick her. I saw you finger. Lick her. Get her out. Lick her. Yes. Come out to the yard. Yeah. Well, I think so the yard full of sauce.
Right.
All right. Yes, my girl. Me never took
But I
you
got
word
the
the
girl
first
there.
time.
I don't but I
That's how I
got
deal with them.
No,
You think so? No.
Hey, me not
You
getting
get
you
chance.
right now, me
But
want
when she
some
go
water.
police now, they have no reason why she come on my yard with her bad shit. Shanice, I apologize. And now me know the truth. I know the truth, baby girl.
The green
You know
right
the
now,
truth.
we know.
You should have bust them. Come back now. You take your man, come back. Try not no man, yeah.
Me buck
Man,
a
you
girl
can't shoot
there.
them.
I me tell her, and just say it done. Me a fight a girl, me and a girl have to go
But
up
she
again.
did say that you say though.
And me a tell her
right.
no. And I just say it done. You watching me growing that so.
Come on, walk up. Walk up, man. You know what you're attention? Fix your face. You see me over there start fighting, you make people beat me.
Come me never
And
did
you
a help you.
You didn't help me do nothing.
Come here, look for.
This a tick, I'm going to go wet you.
Wait who? Well, you got a woman that said if you wait a while ago.
Come here. Shut up your mouth. My box you up here.
Huh? Yeah, me to get him over
This a
there.
tick, and aunt can't work.
Me to get him over there. Before you fight. You know,
Shut up. Shut up. Come here. Me call you.
come here, girl, and lick me so hard. Girl, you ain't never did a lick girl them.
Shut up.
Stop.
Shut up.
You never did a lick girl them. Stop.
Shut up. Shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth.
Mommy, Bill, no.
Shut up.
Ah.
You see me get beat up and you run down. Come here. Come.
Mommy, me not. Mommy, we are going to do that. They feel me with that.
Shut up. You see me get beat up and go. Let me go up the road.
Hi.
What are they?
What you
Good
good?
day.
There, man, nobody has sell no goat now there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some big goat. No big goat I want.
So one nice look around me about
Yeah,
that.
have all size, but you have to
Yeah,
have money.
every size.
But me can't offer ask for goat and I don't have no money.
You never buy pussy in a baguette.
Uh-uh.
Try now. The post fat. I just want, I think I 800 US in sell there for. You told 9.
75,000 I sell for one goat. 70,000 I want to do so.
No, then.
Alright, that can work. That can work. You know, nothing more can put on it. Not like nothing at all.
Ah, here
Yeah,
one.
put extra
Here one,
pan.
you take
Where
off.
goat?
You take off 3.
Where goat?
Thank- If you come, the man are going to sell the goat for 90. You know why? Because you're a man, we are female.
Me a farmer, I don't know about everything already.
No.
Listen to me. You don't have enough for half of no man. No man now go talk up
No,
to
no,
you.
me have money for half
So
of them.
come
Me say
now.
man a sweets, you know.
Listen to me.
Some of them.
Sir, where name?
My name, Jawbone, they call me.
Alright, they call me Kayla.
And they call me Shani.
Listen to me now, Jabo.
So here what go on now?
Make me go buy the goat. You understand?
What
If
me
you
do?
go, no, I say if you go, the man could have seen you come and think say you come for thief, you go to no try be a shut up. Poi! If you make we go cause we are females and he like we know him.
You what go on now?
Eh.
I must say me a farmer, you know.
Listen to me.
So
Anytime me say you're a farmer, you're a
listen
farmer, you're a
to
farmer.
me. So when me I spend, so me I go with my money and now.
Yeah.
Easy yourself. So me I get money,
How do you?
me expect my goat. See if you don't get my goat, a problem.
Alright, we
You
listen.
about trouble in paradise?
No,
So you what go on? How should I have a link for you goat?
it's 2 hours.
2 hours.
It don't really matter which one we
The
get the
money
money.
money.
No, but the money for your hand.
Come, give me money.
Yes, you share the money.
Like a 30.
Papa, a US then
45.
Kaliki buy, then a Kaliki buy Jamaican.
75.
So, you know,
Alright.
you can't pay 100.
So we're gonna deal with the goat and come back.
So you what go on now?
You can't give
You can
100
buy
for
a
the tour.
juice.
Yeah.
50 a piece.
You can't give
Anyways.
50 a piece.
No, this is for me.
Listen to me now. So like that's so I wait for the goat. We'll come with the key.
No, you're not for sit down right
No
now,
man,
so.
yes, me sit down man.
Sit down, yeah.
Alright, you so come
Don't
back.
play with me, I'm going to go there, man.
We're gonna buy the goat.
You know, no sense, but which one told you to pin gun?
I can't what you
Come, you got the money.
Girl, no, yes, I don't need you.
Girl, you don't feel like you're not give me half of the money. Come, man. Come right after them. Come. So much you have. No, this is for me, no. Alright.
Mommy ask. So someone come over here to mommy.
I know me.
I know
I
we.
first we are seeing.
First we have to you never know him look.
We are go over now.
No, you're mad. We're going to go spend our money first.
You don't spend the money first.
Girl, like on. I take me think for joke tonight even. But an hour and a half, I'm telling you, I wait for them, you know. Wow. Yeah, my kiddo. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know too good about the place my father, man, then call Shanice and Kayla. No, man, I just showing it. I look busy because with them father, man. They say I have to go to see my father, I tell them I give them piece of money a while ago, man, I know I can't see them. Which side that? Oh, alright, alright. A little more. Good day, you need some mother?
Good day, sir. Yes.
Oh, right, I'm gonna come back with money for them, you know.
How
Yeah,
do
this
you know
matter-
my daughter?
Me them at road this morning and I said I go to sell. Give them money and I can't see them.
Go to sell?
Yeah.
Who tell you that?
Them, Shanice and Kayla.
My Shanice and Kayla?
Your Shanice and Kayla.
You sure? You sure? From my daughter, when did this happen?
This morning.
No, sir. No, sir. Because my daughters are in the house. I tell them not to leave the house and they couldn't leave the house.
check
So
them
I
out
must
too,
have, there must
Wagwan,
have somebody else down the link.
Check
'cause
the
they couldn't
massive
leave.
one. Come in, I'm not laugh with my money, you know. Business me at the deal.
Hold on. So you said them sell your goats?
Me not get it good. They have my money. I know I can't sleep, I could go out all the morning.
How much they get from you?
75.
Hold on. Shanice! Shanice! Taylor! What's with Shanice, Taylor, when did that? Oh, what did you rock? All right, sir, it seems like them not here. Them really go on the road. All right, sir. Me I go deal with my daughters. I'm here. Me I go beg you. At 1 o'clock, no. Come check me back. Come check me back later. Come check me back later to them. We must deal with this.
What time later? I'm gonna need the money, you know. Me nah come and go back and come again. One come
All right. Come check me about 4 o'clock. Come check me about 4 o'clock.
All right, 4 o'clock.
All right, sir.
All right.
75,000. What do you pick me get? No, Lord God. I can't manage them. God. We can't manage them. Oh, Lord. What am I gonna do? I didn't pick me there. How them they put me there? That kind of problem.
Are you, mommy?
Before in the past.
How are you going? Curfew.
Or kick out. When did they there?
You go on the road, mommy.
Me know. When did they on the road? When
Auntie
did they
Joy.
Auntie Joy doing what?
Not giant joy.
The mood, I mean, nobody come with it for me, little girl.
We go down there and go look at the animal.
Talking of animal. You sell none?
No.
Don't forget animal from Fissel. We are raised
I
animal.
wonder. Come man, come here and
Which
tell
man?
me, sir, una selling goats. So me want to know, sir, where the goat there?
Yeah.
Una
where the
surprise
goat
me
there?
and buy goat and not tell me for sell. No.
Yeah, for sure. Where the goat there? No goat not there. No goat
So
not there.
how it come? The man say
Oh, the
he
man
given us
look.
70 in short and black.
I can't the ugly black man where did I look with. And true we tell him say we go call police, he must come over here come clear that.
You ever true, mommy? Me I walk and the man sat up on my back butt and say him I look me.
Stop you where?
On my back butt. Me I walk past him and he say, little girl, come here. Me have something for you.
No. That got different.
Man,
So
the
you leave the man over with?
Why the man would come fine in a yard and ask for the direct? See me. Hello, sir.
What do you mean me a look on you? Eh? What do you mean me a look on you?
You slap me on my
When?
back. Out the road.
You slap my daughter, sir?
You find me good little girl. When you look at picking you know, when you find money come give me right now too.
No,
Which
no,
money
No
you
want
talk
me money
about?
now.
Which money you talk about?
Hey little girl.
Hey, what you do? What you
Alright,
do?
put
Hi,
it- rise the
what you do?
Rise up the money, rise the money now man.
Nobody a touch my pick. Nobody
Rise
a
the
touch
money.
my pick, you know?
Lady, me give
Nobody a touch my pick. Me will deal with my
Lady,
pick
you
then.
rise the money, give me. Rise up the money now.
Side. Jesus Christ.
Where is it?
Me take you and go play box.
No man.
On the light.
Fine.
On the line. Never call on the father.
No,
call on the father. We can't deal with enough. Get inside.
Lady,
Jesus
you
Christ.
get one more here. More money.
All right, sir. Mrs.
Me
said.
want it now.
Mrs. said.
Lady, me
my
want
daughter
it now,
never
lady.
wrong.
Me a pull on back this car.
You better
not
put
too
it
big
back.
woman, you know.
You better put it back.
If you have money on you now, me I come with early morning. Down a beach party can go circle come more than night. And okay money can come.
Do you want me raise? I forgot to call them father. Me can't manage them. Bring money in the house and not even give me none. Them not even tell me. No, sir. Me I call on the father right now. Me I call on the father. Shanice, you good? You have money to go up on the road?
Huh?
You have money to go up on the road?
No, not really.
Where
I
you go for
trust
the road
you. Yes, me I trust you to go up on the road again. I beg. You know what? Me can't manage you know. Me I go pray for you. Give me a hand. Jah, oh Jah, I have my 2 daughters. Only you can help them, Lord. Only you can protect them. Please, Lord, stop them from lying. Stop them from thief and stop them from cause trouble. Cause do, Lord, me no want to take them father off of the job. But I will if I have to. So, Lord, help them and help me. Amen.
Yes. It prayer touch me. It touch me when I do it.
Good.
Me feel it.
Good,
Yes,
that
mommy.
one
Yeah.
here. You feel nothing, baby?
Uh-huh.
Good.
Yeah.
All
Me
right.
feel every word what you say.
You see?
Like God just
You
coming at
see?
me.
But me not born yesterday. You say you feel it, I want to believe, you know. But actions speak louder than words. So prove to me, say, wanna feel the spirit.
Yes, mommy, we feel
You're gonna
it.
trust in the fuck up how
Yes,
you know.
mommy.
But this is the last almighty time.
Yes,
Do.
mommy. We feel
Me
it,
a big
mommy.
one, you know.
Mommy, me feel it. Me say, mommy, when me feel it all in my back. All in my back, me feel it, mommy. Me feel it everywhere.
Well, make sure you feel it this so. And not
Me-
cause no
Mommy,
more trouble.
me feel
So
it
me no
all
want
in my
nobody
mouth.
come we yard and cause
Yes.
no more trouble.
Preach again, mama. Mama, lock I am pray, mama. Mama, lock I am pray. Cause I am pray, mommy. Pray again to me, mommy. Say word.
It work.
Yeah, I feel like yeah.
Pray,
when you
mommy,
do
Prove to me say it work. Me
Yeah,
no
pray again.
not general. Go on and I mess up my head. All me know, me pray for no. When I say it work,
Yes.
prove
Word.
it. Actions speak
Hallelujah.
louder than words. Here, spin
Yes.
the roll and walk the road. Spin the roll and walk the road. And no trouble. Me
No.
no want nobody come here. I want to hear good things here.
No, no, come, mama. Remember, I forgot to pay the light bill and the water.
They must think some are idiots. But everybody deserves a chance. So let me give them one more chance.
Mommy stupid, mommy fool, mommy such fool.
Me know you didn't feel nothing. Where thief? Cause if you thief something, can me see you queen 2
Me
times.
feel the spirit.
You don't feel no spirit, mama.
How does me feel spirit?
A
Me
blood you
no.
don't feel around
No. Me feel
See
it.
the money
No. Make me talk that make me talk. You ever want to
Talk.
talk more than me? Me feel the spirit of the devil, and the spirit of the devil tell me to thief. Mommy right now, me thief the money. Me feel the spirit of the light
That's
bill
all you
money.
want to thief.
No. You can get everything go car. I'm a thief, you know. You cook up on me and say, well, look at. Let me put this in a 2 gear. Can't get everything.
Mama, more than that you have, mama. More than that you have.
Mama,
Not show me the little less when you gonna come fool me now.
me sorry. Me it's so like come fool me, so me have to fool her too. Because mom is so stupid boy, my pray. Why am I pray for? Why pray they gonna do to me? Eh? Good idea, I got thief to come more down there. Learn for thief for your own.
What you gonna do now?
Morning.
Man.
I evening now still. Sunset.
You told me just not too long rise up.
I prefer one rise up late out of bed.
Young lady.
Young
stop
man.
fierce with me.
Me not fierce with you. Me just have to say a
Young
cross.
man,
Yeah, talk to me, not talk to she.
I first me come in the lane.
I realize
way
that.
up so. Cause somebody tell me about some call me, I look over by. I go way up so they must say die. Me don't know who name.
Oh yeah, me know die.
Our mother name Die. She has some cow sell.
You know mother.
Yes.
The up so on the live.
No. The somebody tell you the wrong direction.
So.
Down so.
Round so.
So how much you want the code? Come on.
30,000.
Yeah, idiot. It depends on the size how we want.
30,000.
For the littlest one.
30,000.
30,000 for the cow.
The littlest one.
The biggest one.
Me stop that. You not confused. She said little and you said the biggest.
Yeah,
Who
but
shall
buy,
we
you want
bigger?
buy.
Me don't know.
Me bigger. And me in charge of me know Die. Me tell say Die is my mother. And me tell her say she has sell the big cow.
Who to her?
I'm mother but she not no sense. Crackhead.
Listen to me.
30,000.
Yeah,
Yes.
man, you're supposed to know business. Things sell by size.
Come here,
A jamming idiot.
walk with the money.
Yes, 30,000.
200.
Yeah.
More one big cow.
Jamming
One
idiot.
big
More know
cow.
you get big cow with
because
30,000.
my grandparents them wedding a keep and me want them to have a nice good
They go
cow
have me
can
say.
eat.
When me say the cow big, the cow big. Big cow we
Big
have.
cow last
Big
time.
cow.
But you have to give you the money.
No buy my the cow, I must have to give you the money.
No, you will
Yeah,
have for the
yeah.
money same
Me
way.
I give her the money because she said she had the bigger one.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to carry me go to where the
No, man.
You got to the bride to sound weird.
No.
We can't take a dead
Anywhere
yard.
I carry my money go, me I go there too.
Me no want the cow
Me
see
no
and
listen
run.
me. Me no come from boy.
Me no want the cow see and run. Temporary just and wait
No
for
cow
me.
can't see me and run. Anywhere you not go with me, I come for the cow.
No, you can't come. Stop yourself, man.
We soon
Come
come.
like a
Shut up.
Say really you come back away.
Where you go?
Me I come for the cow now that me just pay enough for.
Listen to me.
You pay with it go for the cow, you never pay with it show you where the cow there.
Listen to me. Sir, let me talk to you. We're going down the road to get the cow and come back right here. We
And
do
me
delivery. We do
Me no
delivery.
want if you deliver. Me I come.
No, you can't come.
Me I come down there.
No, you
Anywhere
can't.
I go.
You can't come down.
Oh, look at that.
Wait for me and then the rudest girls of mine. Eh?
Mommy.
How- Where your run come from?
One dog around me though.
One dog, see the big dog, yeah, with the big teeth. Where my money there?
Which money, mommy?
Where my money there? Master, money there on the dresser. When you know I leave, money there on the dresser. Now when I gone, money gone, and nobody come. Nobody not even come look for cow or goat or horse or pig or nothing. Where master money there? Come in now, go
Mommy,
prison for
man,
now.
when you pray this morning, God come for the offering to your preach.
Girl, don't talk blasphemy. Make me box. Make me shut your box, you know. Don't blaspheme God's name.
That's true, you don't
Where the
pray.
money there? Come in now, go prison for now, so come.
Me no know where money there, mommy, man. What happened?
Where
And
my
she
fight
keep
to?
the money.
Girl,
You know, so me not like your style, though, mommy. Ever they behave like a band back a cow. And she keep the money. You see me, they pint to the ask me, me they
mind me
pint.
bash what while I going on.
No
Mind me
business.
talk what while I going on.
Me do business, cause the thief 300 US. Say, look at me and give me 100 one. No, and she thief the US. Me even did not send the rent money. She thief it.
Mind me bash what happening now. Mommy, if my whole man come up for goat, one man soon come up for cow. Make sure you come now, mommy.
What do you mean, man?
Make
soon
sure
come
say
after
you have.
where my
Make
sure
sure.
my height?
Where my money there?
Who you,
Where
sir?
my money
Who
there?
you?
Give me
Who you?
who
I
them
come
two
and
little
stick it
girl
in my
that
yard.
who them two little girl that
And she said name die.
Your
I'm
name
a
die
pick
die?
them.
I say,
I'm
I
a
call
pick my
mommy.
daughters
Your
them.
name die die?
No, matter
Mama,
what
me
my
must
name.
have
Them
cow.
take me $200 US to one cow. And me want me cow. I know them run off and push me now. Up
Remember
the
me tell
road.
us me have
Look
cow.
girl, me
Me tell
want
them
me
me
money.
have the cow.
Nobody
Give me
fight
my
on you.
money.
Nobody
Pass the
fight
cow.
on stick on me picnic.
All
I know
you want
you
them,
bring them.
all you.
I know you
see
bring
that
them in
little
the
girl
world.
they
Me
have-
will deal with
Idiot.
me will.
All I want to take my money.
Leave that thing alone. Come on,
All I want
we'll kill you for me picking them. Let me deal with me. Will deal with
Me
me
want-
picnic. I know you give birth to them.
Nah, let
I
me
know
go
you
for
give
money.
birth to
Yeah.
them.
See the big cow there. Take the cow.
Sure. Me will deal with the picnic.
Nah, let me
All right, stay here.
Alright, check them pocket. Check them pocket. Look up at me
All right,
somebody
put back
can
suck
play
it.
with
Now
me.
touch the
Slap me in your
picnic.
face.
You have the money?
Give me my
You have the
money.
money? You have the money?
Give me my money, little girl.
Look on the cars. Look on the fucking car. Go inside. Get inside. Get inside now.
You see, anyone with see on man.
All right, sir.
When you say
I
you want to call me
apologize,
again,
sir.
because you don't want to kick out you beat me.
Go
Little
inside.
girl.
Go inside. Me I
Let
go
me see
deal
no
with
land
them.
up on the road. And
Sir, me I go deal with them.
I'll you not deal with me. no.
Move the
Don't
sticker from
deal with me.
Move the
That-
sticker from the face
me
before
left
I
out
run
there
you.
in the place.
Move. Oh, crap. Me phone your father. Me can't deal with this. Me can't deal with this. No, sir. Me phone your father right now. Me have to come. If I have to come country, come deal with it now. Lord, me can't deal with this. Me have to phone your father.
You like your style, you rock out
Me
from me.
can't manage. Me have to phone on the father.
No,
And I'm
mommy.
not run away from me. No.
No, mommy.
Me want to know exactly what I want.
I'm sorry, mommy.
Every hurty day somebody are come with a trouble for them.
When they come run them. Every time they come in an argument with
This is
them.
the money you
Yeah.
God thief.
Yes.
You
God,
feel-
God sent me to take it.
And enough. Don't tell lie, pan God, little girl. bad things will happen to you.
The bad things that happen to you because we go through again.
You know, sister, bad things are happening. You know, stop
And your bad
and
things
pray
happen
in it.
too.
You know, stop and pray in it yourself. Huh?
Man, come for the call.
Girl want to fight
call,
you.
the call
Girl
for-
mother want to fight you. Two man that I know.
No.
What else
Yeah,
want
no.
to street?
One of
I
the
know.
goat and one of the cow.
Mommy, you
And
go
you
on.
don't feel shame for saying
No,
that?
mommy, you
Because
see,
the cow there here.
mommy, you see when new man they say you want gold to buy, me need just think about my father.
What you-
And now
what
the
you-
man saying want coffee buy. Kind of think about the mother.
I want him. Hey, you know, say if me fi deal with you know, me I go prison, me I go kill you know. So better that. Me I go phone in the father.
You can't do that, mommy.
Me I be can't manage it.
Everything at me you want call daddy. And you know that you don't like it.
Me try. Me can't manage you know. Me can't try. Me try with you know.
Don't
Me
call.
try with you know. And I go
sorry.
broke me down.
You know want that shop, you want water?
And I go broke me
Or you
down.
want cold?
Me sorry.
Me asking for change when you tell me.
Me
everything.
out here.
Me not go change.
No.
But me calm down.
Me all pray for no and then I teeth. Me
Me
pray.
And then me TV now.
So how you give me money to where that
Because
money
this
come
pretty
from?
up for me, keep my mouth shut, but me did get little
Mommy.
this and say me the chat.
Mommy, me and you that preach and you that preach. True, you never that preach and I say hallelujah. The devil take over me just swoop me and get in control. Me and take over.
So you did want me to close my eyes again?
So we could have take up again.
Auntie does appear a general thief me a race.
I don't even get it from daddy a thief. I can't feel about
Nobody call him no thief. The man work hard for what him have.
I
And he
work
must provide
hard.
for you know.
You know where card.
Alright.
No,
Me
I'm
know
not
me
in
I
it.
go do.
Me a
I
cheers.
tell you what, cause me can't do nothing. I no go a road. I no love road. Go a road. Go on.
So go and buy me.
Come
Go
on.
and buy me.
Come
Go
on.
and shop, go buy
Nobody
me.
touch my money. Don't touch my money. Come on to my room. Come on to my room. Oh no, I'm mad me.
No,
Out
mommy.
of my
Make sure you
room.
want, mommy, make sure you want to go and shop.
Come. Next time when I
That
come
shop
in,
you send me?
yes,
So where
yes,
money
but
there?
I don't have money. Cause
If me a go and shop
me
for
know,
you, you have to give me
this
the
some
money.
star money. So me know,
Yeah,
so me not get
if
back
you
the
give
one
her
of the
what I
money.
get, if you
So the
give
money
her.
when I have, go come out to my side. Come out to my side before me raise my hand and my foot to. Oh
You should
no.
have think about that before you push me
Come
out.
out to the room before me raise my hand and my foot to. Get out. For now, I'm gonna come for
No, mommy, me out here.
Wanna come? No, wanna come for
We are
me.
going to
And me
pray.
can't
Mommy,
take
we
it.
are going to pray.
Come
Mommy,
on,
we are going
not
to pray.
pray. If I'm gonna take more money from me, come out. I can't take it. Open the door.
You see, me not
You're
fit
mad,
on it.
mad me.
No,
You're
mommy.
mad me. Come out. We can't take it. Come
We are
on.
going to
Mad me. Them mad me, Lord. Lord, make me point for you. No, sir. Bye. You pity them and mad me. Me try. I can't deal with it no more. You have to come now. Drop everything. Everything and come now. No, me say no. I can't, man.
Right now, when me are going where I do.
Me I said to say I see it. Sometimes we just
Yesterday,
stupid.
me take money for go to them, me take for cow. You know what me want later? One land me they sell. You know me she land with them. No, mama, we not no land, but land over the so abandoned. When
We can sell mommy house. Take a picture.
mama, I rent house. So we not own the land.
And I said we go and sell it.
And when we go to and then we sell it, idiot.
In there. We trick them. Take a picture. Go trick them. We say tell you, we need
But then they want the house, dummy, they want the land. You have to take picture of empty land. Like Mass land over there, so we can take the picture it and show them.
Or the big belly boy land.
Which big belly boy land?
Big belly boy live up in here. Your belly big.
Oh, I don't know where they talk, but I must stay the little short dwarf boy.
Yes.
Anyways, me have a good and do it. Me so come. If me get
Alright.
money, me carry back to here, yo.
Yeah. Nobody run come. If you thief now, don't run come here. Every time run come and
Idiot
catch
girl,
you.
when me thief in a run guy yard, me then run go so and check through the bush come back. Me so come. Look, somebody who scam an idea, yeah. Yeah, me can make some money.
wait, tell the girl that.
Yes, come here, she.
Come here.
Oh, you never remember when you beat me? Eh?
Beat him.
Eh?
Lick him back.
Yeah.
Lick him back.
Alright. Wait now. You told me all the beat me.
Yeah,
Me not know
one.
sister nor no mother.
Oh.
Tell up your son. Alright.
Yeah.
Don't move. Don't move.
Yeah.
Stand up.
Go on and come back.
Alright, stand up. Don't move.
Bust your ass. I see we are moving right so we are turn up kind.
No,
I have to
move.
come
We are
back.
waiting on her. Like a bad girl, we don't have no family.
Mm-hmm.
Quiet me now, girl. The girl them beat me down there so.
Which girl beat you?
Come back to y'all.
Action.
Really, girl, you can't come.
Yeah, reach out now. We are
Oh,
waiting
them
on.
here.
Which one I don't up there so lick my sister? Which one is so
She
bad?
just
Feel
come
my
here,
sister.
come up here, though.
Me come to defend that. One of
What
the sister.
defending her? Defending.
One of the sister.
No, defending. Defending her.
You think you're giraffe?
No, beat them by
Shut
yourself.
up your mouth about donkey. Say about donkey.
No, you
paper.
You
Not
damn
even
giraffe.
Why, brother? You want me move it? You want me move it?
Right. Come here, come. We're not going to go on the road.
Come on.
Oh, my bad.
Beat the girl, mommy.
See you? Never
How was
again.
So your head all pull out. Not be back round.
Them beat me up.
Well,
Me not
then
defend
they
again.
beat me before. Me want you feel let me feel.
Me not business. Never again, Shanice. Me not go on no road and
Tell her
help
we
you.
a sister. If me get war first, you have to get the second.
Sister, no make sister get beat up. No, me suppose you say me I defend you.
You know, you defend me.
What me da do?
Who got there now?
So wait there. Fight again.
Mommy,
Oh,
she.
you're here, pull out. Fight again.
Mommy, me go defend and she, the people, her friend and her mother beat me.
Oh, good. Who said you go road?
I mean,
Who
I
said
defend
you
her.
go road?
But that she me go defend mommy.
Yeah, but they
who?
defend me. Me look like me need defense.
Lord God, what fight you start again now?
It's not
What
me.
happened? Alright, what happened?
No, more.
So people just come and fight you to the
I don't
ear?
mean they fight a she.
Think
Why
say
you
you
follow?
fight
No
and she
need for
come.
now.
Welcome, for.
The money, where the money go? You good on me already?
Yeah, man, me send the money down already.
No, me not get it. Me say, good on if you get the money. So,
Me send them down with the money already.
where money then?
Which money?
What you sending it down with forgive me?
Lord, don't start this.
We give back
What?
money for yesterday.
Me you give money.
Yesterday you come. The day
You one
before.
left back, where $100 there? I me come for.
That day no we belly.
You know, blow cut out, tell us something.
No,
Where you
no,
come
no.
back for? Where you come
You
back
want
for?
me money?
I can't
Yeah,
15,000 you really come back here for.
How much?
Just let me just get beat up.
No.
Running money, man. Not for
Alright,
something.
alright.
Sure,
Money.
I sure, you know. 5, make 50. What now do?
Can't take you five out of my $1 million hole.
Where you are going with that,
Don't
sir?
turn. What?
Where you are
Ah,
going
me-
with that, the maths? When me come in, me take money from you?
Are you picking them? Are you training
Mommy,
them?
I'm a back
Me
of
take money
Are
early.
you
from you,
picking them? Are you
sir?
train them?
Me tell you, sir, the money I go come on your foot.
You know reach on my foot yet?
They done. Me tell you, sir, the money I go come on your foot.
You know reach yet?
I'm
Me
a
tell you,
back
say
all
to come on your
that
foot,
me.
so you can't get blood from a stone. The money coming at your foot soon and very
How
soon.
much trim
It
you
a
want
come-
him money if you got trim? Can you look so funny?
Alright, alright.
Line up with you. So right now, man. What's saying on the
Me
money?
not run no money get your yard before me sure at piece pan you.
Your bad do it.
Me say
Alright,
get
sit
your
down,
yard.
sit down. Alright, sir, the money are coming your foot soon. The money are coming your foot soon.
Go on, I yard
Shut
before me
up!
throw me at
Shut up and
piece
stop
pan
making it
you.
worse.
You know me,
The
I'm gonna-
money are coming your
Alright.
foot soon.
No, daddy,
sir.
take up that.
What I know?
Me I
I'll
make
give me
sure.
a ball like both. Watch
Me I
out.
make sure, sir. It's a come your
When you
foot
must
soon.
send me, look
It's a
at
come
call
your
like.
foot
Yeah,
soon.
you about St. Thomas? I treat me chicken
Man, my
idiot.
back of hurt.
What do you back?
The people that beat me hard.
Cause problem.
I know we are cause problem. A problem for the back of we.
Cause una run it down.
Let me tell you
Wait,
something,
alright,
mommy.
alright.
Let me tell you something. Let's say God save your right and open your chop it off. Chop it off. If they open your chop it off.
If you are talk about offend, if me for cut off or offend me, the two on the God.
Then I cut
Come
me
here,
off.
go losing my life for the two
Me
of
backside little boy. I see you run the people yard.
I say tea.
I same sound you used to do.
No,
Make him bother
me
worry
never
about
run
you.
nobody.
Make him bother worry
Me
about
a go
you.
in, me
Me
back
worry
a
about
hurt
you
me.
now.
They make me
So
listen
where the
back
money
hard.
there? Me
Which
give
money?
me give your father send the money. Me give enough for go.
You're not giving no money. And the money where we
Ah,
need
who
the
you
man come
shout
back,
out to
boss.
some picnic? Know your place.
Respect go both ways.
Yes. And you hear me shout after you first?
Yes.
Remember your place. And yes, where you come from. Me no come from this, and you come from
And
here,
yes, where
so.
me come from, but you should have come, so when me they come out. You should have lock up your
Me
foot.
should have lock it up before you father
Yes,
bag,
you should have
so.
lock it
Me
up.
should have lock it up before you father plant
you
in
know,
me.
no, pick
Come
me
out
up
to my
first.
side.
No.
Come out to my side,
No.
picnic. Come out to my side before me kill you here today. You mad me. Jesus Christ.
I'm back from country.
Lord God.
What on there?
Glad to see you.
What on there?
Come, can't deal with them.
What on there?
Let me inside. You got to deal with them now.
Come
When
out,
I come
Pastor.
in the father, they are
Come
come.
out, Pastor. Come.
Judgment,
Come.
come, can't deal with them. I'm
Because
glad
me-
to see you.
Me
Come.
can't walk in, please. Come. Just me in time. Come. Where's the son? Where's she there?
Big mouth Shanice, come, you prefer they are
No,
come.
me more big because of you
Yes,
burst me.
come.
Come.
Daddy, why you
Come
come
deal
here,
with
Daddy?
your father the
Huh?
way you deal with
Daddy,
me.
why you come here, Daddy?
Why am I coming?
Yeah.
No, in the field.
Don't let me say you come my country and no care nothing for me.
Why me can't work in peace?
Cause peace now want work in you.
Eh? Why me can't work in peace?
Peace now want work in you.
Why?
Why? Here.
Huh?
Oh, you reach here?
Oh, no mother call me, so no don't have thief cow. Oh, no don't have thief
No,
goat.
Daddy, we did not thief any cow or any goat. We go on the road the first day. They asked us for a goat, and
Leave it
I
back.
think about you.
Leave it back. And when they ask me about cow, me think about mommy.
Look, hey.
When they
I
ask
head
about
for
goat.
are you with her?
You think about me.
Yes, Daddy. And they give me money. It was so funny, Daddy.
You looking at about to me? Huh?
No.
Yes,
Huh?
yes. Cause you know when me say a giraffe, but nobody ask me for no giraffe yet. They ask me about goat and cow.
And
You
who
are
you
looking at
point
me?
on for cold?
No, me just have said
You looking at me, where goat
And
say?
who you
Me
point
favor
on
donkey.
for foot?
No.
Me favor.
Don't fear about the lizard when it just born.
Sun green.
So
I
me-
don't know, Daddy.
This your thing for
Why
you.
not thief? Why not thief? Me not raise no thief. Top thief, I think to me just a tell about a while ago.
Yeah.
They
Provide
asked
no
me one
Ogiri.
question, and Daddy, and when I come on the road, and me say me a different Chinese, and right after them drop me say, she run let me make them beat me, drop right after I lick me back.
You should
Daddy.
have just little head. Where I touch her.
Yes, some.
Yeah, come back home, you know.
Remember say me asthmatic, me could stand up and wait till she dey
Daddy.
eat up. Me there for run.
You need to have something there.
No, I tell you
now?
something. And see money we are send, we don't get nothing to eat. That's why we not.
Top 10 lie. A beer lie come
We
out
get
to your
no
mouth.
beef.
Top 10 lie. Top 10 lie.
Daddy,
Picnic.
no,
Come back to work.
Huh? Come
Come
on.
back to
no,
work.
don't.
Come on.
Yes.
Why?
What me send money if you can do? What me send money if you want?
We make we have man and but we
Right.
not got no school. You think she not
Daddy,
yes,
no
stop
Daddy.
Eh?
My tear me ear.
Yeah.
Look
No,
at here.
no, wrong.
Mommy.
Mommy,
Remember
I
mommy
can't-
me. Me a cow. Remember me a
Where
cow.
you
Remember
get-
the mommy me.
Why
Yes.
you don't know how this is going on?
Mommy no want hear what she
Me
say.
hear some mother pray on her thief and money in the top.
Akela.
But God take away her offering.
Alright.
I never
Close the
saw-
eyes, mommy. Pray more,
the
mommy.
devil
Close
did
the eyes.
chippy. The devil did chippy.
Oh, you never did chip in. Oh, what? You still chip in? All right.
No. What?
Yes. Yes. And that they need.
Go inside.
Can me can't manage them.
Mommy.
No, mommy. I'm your old cow. Your old cow.
Let me tell you something. You have to man up on them.
May I try?
Take me
Let me
to
send me
them
a
throat.
prison. Let me
The-
send me a prison.
No. Don't no run if you go to prison. You will see a young one take care of anything
Me
with
now
them.
go to prison for no picnic. And your turn now. You go deal with them. Me a cow member. Me a heifer. So you go buck them.
Don't worry.
You're the goat, go buck them.
I bet you they never did again.
I pray.
All right.
I pray. Go buck them. I got shot go buck them.
Back in town.
You know. You're brute enough. Hey, hey. Yes, baby.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I can't talk to you about something.
Mm-hmm.
Why you bring back that here? You can run away.
Running away for what?
You can back up work, man.
Mm-hmm. Why?
No one give me a.
Him have your ass on the heavy manners, that's why.
You see how when he come here first day, come here, he make me jump and lick me back.
Mm-hmm.
Aye, lick me all about.
I good.
I make back a hurt me. Make daddy go on and me tell daddy.
Me always tell you and she say, who can hear what? What?
Feel.
Now you feel.
Make daddy
Make
go
daddy
on,
time,
man.
daddy, if you come long time.
And you
That's enough to get long time.
make daddy like friends, if you not go pretty, as a miss me go and give in her face.
Me want to see that day.
daddy
Me
go
want to
on.
see that day. You think you get to big woman that you can do that to your father? Me want to see that day. Make sure you sell me tickets. Come in now, miss that one. If you think so, you drop in your butt, but no. Try it. But me want to see it. Come on, the Joe. You're mad. I'm
Me
mad,
tell
I'm mad.
daddy, come
Lower
here.
your voice.
Come here fast. He's with him big self, consider that date. Like, you want to work.
What provide?
Me want to we can go back. We can go back. Me want to go when I can go with take you.
Aye,
Huh?
that's the real truth now. That's the real truth now. You're brutal.
Also that it's
Hand in your yard.
So that
Less
it's
trouble. You know, since your father come, no man, no woman, no stranger come in the yard and say, your daughter
I
this,
like it,
your
that
daughter
far
that.
we didn't tell them,
Until
mommy.
the truth come out. I'm gonna see your father. Come out. Make your father deal with you. Now you know what discipline is. And that you feel get long time.
Daddy, I want to talk to you.
Bro,
You think say you want to look for a sensible job?
they want me to do no job.
And a job.
Working at home is better than work for people.
Why you do that sort of job? I do sitting on the laptop doing nothing.
So what me do? You know, you can read.
Daddy, all me I say so, a game there so, game.
Why you adding at the peanut butter? You want to why you do? Because you love to eat.
I thought me I say no daddy don't.
No, nobody else needs to eat.
Daddy, you talk about that. Me I tell you, say, me if you go look at sensible job to put food on the table, because you say, since today, everything I done. Because I got more mouth. When the day I'm more mouth.
Okay, so.
So your mouth just come other than your mouth again, you just crave and your mouth just big. When you eat at the big spoon you use and the big plate them.
So, me need to go, me need to leave here. Go work somewhere else. So you can go run a panel, right?
We not run that they like that tell why mommy don't talk about the man them why I keep. What she talk about that? She come and talk about we. And we not know.
Your mommy a keep, man. And I first need to know about that.
Because I'm not chatty like how she chatty.
Hun! Remember how you say, Hun!
Yes, yeah.
Come here.
Now come, hold on, let me try my hand.
Okay, babes. I want to know what go on in. I want to know what go on in my house when I'm not there.
Talk to them.
She has said you have only for man and come here.
What?
Tell the mother what you tell me. Say.
Say it to my face, little girl.
Daddy say you have only for man and come here. I want
That's your cute. That's your full the little girl head with.
Now what you
Really?
do? Change your them out now. What you do? No, you clap off your nose with the laptop.
Daddy, me can't change my mouth, because mouth cannot change, Daddy. You see my mouth change, it's still black.
You say pick your troublemaker.
So which one? So hold on. The way you call me in, what you didn't really believe.
No, you see Daddy I tell lie. Daddy just your time out to me say.
What's your mouth? Big people at all. Apart
She
what you
tell
didn't really
she
believe.
come back and say, Daddy, Mommy have a lot of man coming in here. So I said, oh, you know that? She said, all under the bed today, most of the time. You see you little girl? You see you?
You see you, Daddy? Me give you information about under bed. Now you tell me say, Mommy I come and hide man underneath bed. And last night when you asleep, she thinks you don't say you come and in you.
Hey, let people talk
Mommy,
about
ask
it
you a
up, you know
question.
the truth.
Now ask you one more time. What you say mother do when time not there?
Daddy,
Yes.
me turn to me say to you say, Mommy now don't know.
Move back up close.
You
so I can
say,
see the
Mommy
truth
not
now.
your man.
Me
Come
see
here.
the truth now. How you jump, so?
You see, after now, anything you eat, you're going to pay for out your lunch money.
Yes.
Me not pay for no. Me I got school pay for something.
You can learn. Discipline you forget. You're too damn lie, little girl. You're too damn lie.
Daddy, talk to
And
me.
me who defend you.
Where defend me?
Man come here to beat them.
No.
Let me defend them.
Wait.
Put my life at risk.
Listen in right. I'm not peanut butter with the feet Bruno with and Bruno they push the head in there. That's right.
She don't deserve nothing better. You don't deserve nothing better.
Yes, Bruno.
Ungrateful.
Dog, you know what I realize? Me tell you already to the real peanut butter. I have no that in a car house. Bruno, every time Bruno come and make
I'm not down no info that.
Bruno push him head in there every time when we used to there. I'm putting in the corner where you go find me think I want new peanut butter this.
Trouble when I trouble you.
And the marking funny, you know. Let me know, you know. The marking.
Oh yeah, love man.
Yes, you're lucky said this time with the dog, next time I rat pies. Me tell you how much time I trouble when I trouble you.
And anytime you call me, I say, meh!
You hear that you be say? You get catch. Like that get catch.
Where you come from?
Me did outside, I cut up the chicken back.
So you have to make you one neighbor would say where you
Yes, chicken back!
Hi, dog.
Today big Sunday, but then I'm chicken back. You feel like you want to go back to work. Friday, I pay chicken back and mackerel with them yam. You know when you leave and win and yam so much mackerel?
So,
You need to go back to work and send out some money.
Have to deal with.
Me tired of the mackerel and the chicken back. Me want chicken now.
who never work?
Me did tell if you come trouble me up in your back. Me did tell him me want to come along. No. Me did alright in your back around and up and down. Me never tell him
I told you angry over
Now you see what we have to deal with.
No.
I'll fight.
Mommy, I'm a princess. Me don't anger mommy.
I'm not turning your life here. Now when the father
Let me ask
come,
you that
make him
question.
see the real. Oh
Let me ask you that question. Only they have man?
no.
Come here.
Men.
We're talking to you. Only they have men.
Let me ask you something. You have woman?
No.
No. Me not know maids. Let me ask you again now. You have a wife?
Yes.
Oh, ask me question now again.
You have a husband?
Yes.
Come here.
I want
How
it.
much husband? In our house.
Liquor.
And I say your husband say me own a house. You idiot that
Yes, liquor.
Let me tell you something. Me not broke no picnic.
Me have a picnic?
Because I know man before time.
Me not have the man before
No,
time. Me
I'm
have the
breathe
man
before
after
time.
time.
Liquor.
Listen.
And that liquor again. Let me
Mommy,
hold on for you. Liquor
remember you have your
again.
first picnic when you have 15.
Liquor
Me
again.
pass
And me I
15.
teach you right. And your
16
ears
no
too
mean
hard.
say, you can't have man.
It mean me can't have sex.
What, see ya?
You
Me did have somebody to grade me up so me will do better.
To hear a grow for the pum pum. You feel like the man them use them hose for your pum pum. You
And
want
what
that?
was there have a one hood?
Jesus Christ,
And it's to have an.
You have to find something big
Where
to
glue?
liquor with.
Where they look for glue for? We are never glue up under that. Tell them one glue up me.
Let's see a little girl. You're rich. Come. Find it, Papa. Find it.
No, you don't yes enough. I go warn you. You see?
No one, Papa. Can one
If
not
you move the
do.
slap your time. They are warn
The
you.
door shut. One not do. If it take
Come
click.
here. Any man you want, make sure it's a book. Me tell them say they send me back to our hard school. Me tell them say me go send them back to our hard school. It won't run no more
What is
run.
art school? Me no want to know join.
No, hard school meaning them gonna go learn to spread bait because you can't spread bait.
And done there.
Lord God. I can't say I have to go send this here one. No bother. It's too late for this here one.
Me done
It's
gone
too
through
late
the
for
gate. I
to
can't
send
hold
this
me
here
back.
one. It's too late. Nobody got prison for her.
Ah, you want
You
me?
done decide.
Me don't spend panel.
Yeah, man, me done so.
Me done.
Me done so. Cause
Do what
this
you
here
want.
one,
Do what you want.
she stir up trouble, calling the sister for fight for her. When Kayla run, come for fight for her, she run gone. You don't know what the other people have. No know if a gun, knife, rare. She started the trouble, calling the defense. All man or woman come here for me, I'm have to fight. physically
Man
fight.
come here.
Man, you come here and fight. You can
Because-
fight sake of she.
Then the man
Kayla,
come
she
with
make
the
me
goat
done.
and the
The Mark X, I'm done with you.
goat and the cow. And
I guess me no say that she did that say in a long time. Go long, go make your own life. You're a big woman now. Nobody go prison for her.
I go in there, I run charge of everything.
Yeah,
You see,
man.
anything now run smooth. I'm if you say now go nowhere, me might put out the tree on it. So,
Hey, remember your place, but put out 3.
no, because
Remember 18 months this cow carry, you know. Sake of you know.
yeah,
Me get put out sake of you know. So remember who you talk to. Remember your maths. Your maths don't go past 2 in a this when it come to put out. Here.
alright. Remember. One
Make
talk
sure
to
you
you, because we
do.
don't
Yeah,
talk to you.
man, me too. And my head too hot and can't deal with the foolishness.
Renee. That's something like when you're big girl. If you always beat them, so when they come to fight, you're ready. Understand me?
Wait, Mama can't influence me to beat girl.
I'm not influence of beat nobody, but you have to understand that all the while me I got deal with you when time I gang you. See my little pitney, you know, I'm all and that. I'm a big woman, so me no really want to put me up on nobody pitney.
Mama,
So you have to learn how to defend yourself when me not there around. So you have to run, come me all the while. Defend yourself for the world.
Yeah, Mama, but what if I 2 of them? Mama said me when I can't manage the 2 of them, you know.
That's true, but something that we call it now, defend yourself. One day, you can just, you understand what I'm trying to say to you?
Yes, Mama.
One day, I know you can manage the 2 of them, but
Yeah.
just do what you have to do. And I'm about to beat you. Because me can't matter with every minute them a fight you run come and tell me. For me, beat people, pick them, I'm a big woman. I don't like it. So, anytime they like you, you just defend yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, beat them, make them beat you up.
I'm not going to get beat.
Good. Alright, now up on the road.
Alright. Girl, Mama get started to so.
Daddy man, that is I get out of my
You don't feel like you want this whole come up with an idea and get rid of him.
Confess me.
No, idiot girl. If I fight you, me no go there though.
I get rid of that.
No, how we gonna survive? You see me they work?
Fight the she too.
How we survive?
The thief in life. Thief
No,
in
I
his
don't
good.
think poison I go work. I can't just have milk and food.
I can't have somebody feel big, daddy.
And what is foolishness in here not talk? Beat who?
Big too?
Beat who?
No, you're too
Get somebody to beat who? Your father?
Yeah, man, that means we need to get rid of that. That everybody that they want and everything.
What really wrong with you now?
You didn't hear me talk?
Yes.
I
You
still
know
tell
how
me
long this
something
time
and
from
I
there, listen. From you come out to the bathroom. Yes, me hear everything in about style. But I really hate to the father so much. I need to.
Yeah?
I hate me and your father so. Everything
Mommy.
you try for the phone now.
Mommy.
Everything we're doing is for only, you know.
You're not doing anything for me.
Yeah,
We
but
can't teach in
Are
me.
you pay put roof over your head?
I can't put roof on my head. And you know, I go out there and teeth, just like how I teeth. Every time I teeth, you always have something to say.
You say you be a yard this way. Just vanish.
Lord God. When I really hate with the
No,
truth.
man.
What we doing now? What we
Me want
we
to
like
go
a
thief. Me want can go to go thief. Man can go to pickpocket. Man
Me
can go
want
to
go
fight.
and thief, though. Me want go and con people.
Thief a thief, me a thief.
I con.
Thief, me a thief.
Wow.
Just lying in a
A
board.
two devil a hell picnic we get.
No, the devil a hell pitney, a devil a hell sister and brother.
So what you know with the man? Rotted.
You say that for true, man. Daddy just, daddy, pack up back, send back,
I
daddy.
never think I would have
And then the next one to mommy. Oh, tell her to call him come down here. Oh, give permission.
Permission, me need permission in my house as the adult,
And
as
then
a
you're
parent.
And the landlord, oh, If you're going too bad and can't pay, next month put it out.
You put the rent in your name and pay it then since you're a big woman.
I'm not even talk with anybody now. Let's choose. You want me to go?
Go long. And we can't stop him.
Go long.
Yes,
Go long. And the thing on the clever. Go long. How do you speak me was feel?
No, and the audience pick
How do you speak
Audience pick back Rockstone.
Them think them clever. Them think them clever. Watch me and then. Them think says, hey. Them think says them bird me.
I'm going to tell that mommy and daddy, man. A space in there.
Oh, this is number.
Hello.
What are you playing?
What not do you?
We're not doing nothing.
You say, when you can't give me now?
No, we don't have no money to talk on you. Come to the next day. What you talk?
I just want to take the time out of my lovely evening and apologize for what we do to you. It's not right. You know, we think about it and it's not right.
But now we have real goats. Can sell you.
I don't want to go.
No, you're going to come with me.
Not trust.
You know, no, you can't, and you tell you can't come. We have got to sell for chew, just chew the one look money the day we tell a lie.
But you have to pay your money next
But
time.
you wouldn't give us much money.
You don't give your bills each.
But no, that couldn't help you.
But you say they look for good if you want
So,
to
we
buy.
get 2 goats already still, man.
My sister apology accepted.
Yeah, apologize.
No, we don't want to go. We don't want to go for nobody.
I mean, you don't want to go where you can't go
So
see
you
the
know
man.
say you're a
Next time,
farmer.
me a farmer here, but we get 2 goats. And I
So you don't want no cow.
That's much myself.
A rabbit. You don't want no land to buy either.
Land. We don't got jail, you know.
You don't got jail. Hello. Oh, yeah, it looks so no, mama.
Let me head alone, and that me come back. Wanna see that make trouble? You think I'm not about to know? I be a trouble did I walk and I give. Oh, I'm talking to you.
Don't put the hand on me, lady. Me no look like a little nabi or pitney. Don't put the hand on
Me
me.
in a sight. I'm gonna come
Me
and
glad
argue with
me
you.
in a side. Me no know where you stop at the bus stop here
And you know,
for.
sir?
But highly go on, cause the bus not there right there, so
And
we
you
go
say,
your
me
way.
just realize something. Me just realize something. You see what your head do? It's shaped like one man up in lane.
Me no beat if you want to say. Make it touch shape like a Elvis. When your head shape like, tell me like one giraffe.
So not to me.
And
And you look like one donkey.
So we have to go hard with one
Sad on your son are there.
With one mommy.
Yes, I'm glad you come. I'm glad me see you. Me see 12 right there, so with one man. The 12 keep one man. And you tell my daughter about me to lock her up.
Where you say, woman?
Shut up a mouth. Shut up a mouth. Tell her to little pity them.
Step your mouth. Step your mouth. You're going to put in a problem. You're putting a problem, woman.
Let's go put them there.
Woman.
Don't look for me.
No, juke them out. Juke them out, mama. Juke them out. Me tell you no. One every you call a bus na the right so we are go man bush. One mama.
Come here, no man. I tell my
Them corrupt. Them are my picnic, but them corrupt.
I'm gonna lie.
They want to kill me then. They don't want to kill me then.
No, we can't talk for them, sir, but not follow them. Them not no goat for sale.
You know you're
Them not no
lying.
goat, them not
So
no
it's
cow,
coming in
them
order
not
to
no
them.
pig, them not no sheep,
We are
them
very
not
sure
no
you-
nothing for sale.
Listen to me.
Nothing.
We mother don't know our business. Cause she love chat. You see like how she like to the chat now. We have what we
I pay for
have.
everything for your business. Me and your father pay for everything for your business. A whole million know what me.
Yeah, the only thing you pay are the rent.
Hi. I want that you wear. I want that you wear. And naked as the day you born, you walk straight. Then you turn my woman and I walk straight naked as the day you born.
Me mother
Come
fear
in
you,
no set
mama.
clothes you wear. Me no
Mommy,
set shoes you wear.
So you
Look
know
what
what
you
me
hear
done
breed.
so
So
far.
you are gonna talk about me.
Only any go out there we have to know me
I tell
alone
me,
now.
say me no
Sure.
pay for nothing. Hear what? Me no come here for shame myself, you know. You might want to shame yourself and you no care. But my mother raised me. Me know me raised
You
me, but me
don't
no
want
know
to
where
long
we
talk
come
with the
from.
boy back finger. You know the manners.
We don't go back
Don't
to
tell
the
me
sour
what to
crotch.
do. Lady, don't tell me what to do with my picnic. Go up at the yard. Go up at the yard. No. No. Go along up at the yard.
With that helmet hairstyle.
The bill they want a donkey break.
Lady, don't interfere with the picnic then. Me know see them big problem. And me know see them a problem. I can only apologize. But deal with them. Me and them
You're not
father.
do them good. If you don't do them good, that the one that look like a donkey would turn so. Look, why touch one can disrespect me? You have to make sure have manners. She don't have nothing about her.
Alright, Hush. Me know.
But when me
Them
see,
I
watch
get
me and
deal
when me
with.
see
Them I
him.
get deal with. Go long. Sorry. Me apologize to them. Sorry.
Alright.
Sorry. Wait till me get them little goats home. Me and them backside.
You want this? So you don't know say no for walk on the road by yourself.
So wait, I may come back.
No, me not come by your mama. Me see you, so me they tell you say no for walk on the road by yourself.
So what are you going to do about it?
Alright, too.
What?
She can't go and actually bad.
So I'm not bad.
No.
Bad.
You're only bad when I see your mama, but you're not bad now.
I'm not bad now. I'm not here chat.
Mama, that's not
Clear up that place to clear up when I'm at there. Eh?
No, yeah, answer me.
I have something to do.
Yeah.
She like. Your mother like. Come on, to say
Oh,
you.
this man.
Well, let's go.
You try and make me catch you back on the road by yourself.
Me catch that's a girl. Me say, me get mad and start nyam out your yard.
And learn to wash your hands.
I'm going to tell the mother.
Where you been, my brother? How are you?
Which part the army late by the day, so Rasta maybe?
Me want you after.
Yeah.
Where you been, me want you?
Because in 2 letters, they threatening me.
Hold on. You hold on. Where is this now, while ago?
In 2 letters, they threatening me. Up the road a while.
My pity them check me.
Are you pinning them?
Check me up to what?
So them are going to beat me up the next time they see me, because me and them did fight one time.
So you fight off me pity them?
Oh, me?
So you fight off me pity them,
Me?
girl?
Are you pinning them fight off me?
So you fight off me pity them?
Me?
Look here. You see him? What then do you?
They threatening me.
Check me up.
Yes, and they're going to start me up on the war and I'm done yet.
They don't hurt the mama. Me not gonna eat food. And you come and disturb me.
Then I go want to pin them.
Who?
You.
Me?
No, me.
Me put the body on the road. Me put...
Oh, yeah, yeah. See?
Look over.
Especially one day.
No. You take time?
I don't even know her.
You don't know her? Where she
I don't
live?
want ya.
Oh, she?
Yeah.
Oh, the people, the one is small, this one.
Yeah.
Where take that, okay?
Remember.
Oh, you come complain?
Yeah.
She
Fling this
she
one
and
and
her
Harry.
mother come down at one time, come and beat me up in back with mother. She don't tell her that.
Ah! So
She
wait,
tell her,
you tell us that
you
one
might
time
tell
I'm
And she did tell mommy like palm.
And she don't tell her when me dey up here with them to say me go follow she go defend her. And me drop and back at and she and her mother beat me.
So
She don't tell her that.
so when your man and mother beat me up down the road, down there so. I mean have to go call my mother.
I have to come and then beat you down the road.
Yeah.
Over what?
Over money.
Money?
Yes, over keeping money.
My money is keeping money. It's lost and found.
Alright.
If you have $30 up on the ground, you take your
Alright.
friend passy.
Huh?
If you see $30 up on the ground, you let me here take you up.
Now let's see and take up at the same time.
I can't beg so.
And you dog.
Anything yam.
You know what?
You know what me I got me now.
Who is the liquor bed
No,
she
me,
feel
no.
that?
Me have something here. $1,000 and take time.
Yeah.
I'm going to get $3 there. $3,000.
I don't know treat her for that. I must treat slap out her cutlass.
I wish you.
Mirror!
I wish you.
She slap out the cutlass.
Yes, no, daddy.
Him not give nobody
Daddy.
no money.
We love you. You defend us.
Me not love you.
Huh?
You not defend me.
We love you, you defend me.
Mark the X. If you left back out of the yard again, it's not all in the machine to go and get. Why?
Daddy, I see that.
Look at that.
Little man.
No, I don't even tea.
Oh, you have one.
Avi.
I don't even read.
Boy, yeah, make ma.
Stop here.
How are this?
Later.
I want to that class. Me never step out. Me hungry.
What the two devil are complaining about now?
Huh?
What the two devil them are complaining about now? About hungry. I'm a big woman. You have to feed them. I'm in front of them. Yes, I'm in front of them and I give them none. Can they tell me today say they're a big woman? You treat them like big woman. I'm tired of them.
If you don't send them go a cop, I will send them go a cop.
I don't if you do.
For no
You have my
that
permission.
one easy get.
You have my permission. Do that. Do that.
But I'm here eat the chicken and the rice and beat the fish like you put pork oil for it.
Oh, hey. Then hear me then. Give it back to me. Then hear me. Since my cooking not good enough for you, then hear me. I'm tired of everybody. I'm tired of for them crap. I'm tired of for your crap. I'm tired of utter street crap. I'm tired of fight for people. I'm tired of everything. So if you don't like it, give me back. Give it back. Like how two good decent pieces of chicken pan, give me back. No.
No, because
You know, give me.
Because every day they come to me, I cook tin mackerel and chicken back.
You
I
know,
order
give
chicken.
me. Since you're complaining, you know, give me back. Oh, so
It's
it's
too
so bad
good.
then. You know,
But
so
anyway.
bad. Oh, you know.
I ain't going to take
Daddy, why you don't even like food all night, man?
You buy no little girl?
Listen to me.
You put no money in a pot, little girl?
Me hungry now.
Me make sure me share some for Bruno and myself and wash up at the pot.
So I
You look, you get that.
Cook the mackerel.
me no want no mackerel.
Well,
You know what?
what? You go make
We
your
are
own
dumb.
money, go find your own food. But what you mean say you only cook for you and go now wash up back? Surely a joke here.
If you better take them mackerel and go back and country them, because them is not even mackerel. Sardine, man, pan them. Let all the dumb like sardine. Sardine. No, that one in him.
Sardine, you done said.
No, L-I-G-O, the funny. Listen to me now, daddy. They can't give me mama they put they call me hungry.
Hungry? Them are in their plot to kill you. Them in their plot to set man to kill you. Give me the planes. Alright, go kill them. Yes, you're rude.
Mommy,
Yeah?
please tell me so I can daddy can.
You would have loved that, though.
Tell me
You
so
would
I
have
can,
loved that.
Daddy can?
Well,
Tell me so I can,
it looks so. I don't know. It looks so. Can wake up.
Thank you, God. Thank you, Almighty Father God up above. Thank you so much.
I saw you glad to see your father gone.
Yes, me I look all of the everywhere to see where I hide.
Well, I saw you for look, 'cause you never know when he can come back. I mean,
No,
you
he
know if
not
he
come
gone
back.
for sure.
He
When you
gone?
get up vexed this morning and walk out.
I
Saying
gone, he gone.
you don't know, me no know. But that no means son of a carry back with on the foolishness, you know?
No, mommy, we change, mommy.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know about shit myself.
Like me pray for you the other day and look
No,
what happened.
mommy. Don't pray again, 'cause anytime you pray, me feel like something tell me for thief. Anytime you pray, I just thief, me want thief. Stop pray. Stop
Me
pray.
not waste no prayer praying you.
You know, stop pray about me.
Me done.
Oh my.
Me done.
But as me after still, mommy, up on the road, me want to go.
Nobody start no trouble on the road. My head
No.
can't take it. Me no want no fight. Me no want hear no con. Me no want hear no thief. Keep it out there. Here. Nobody bring the trouble back of the yard.
While I go in here talk, me feel like say, I preach, yeah, I preach. When you talk, just say something, no. You say, no want this, no want that, no want this.
Alright. Go road.
You know,
Me
say
can't
something,
stop you now.
You know what happened? Is that you do not believe in us. You don't believe in me that I can change. I can change.
Well, the
I'm no
proof
longer
is
a
in
thief.
the pudding, my girl. The proof is in the pudding.
Which pudding?
I have so much faith in the two and us, so much time. Nearly lose my life for the two and us, so much time. So, the proof is in
Mommy,
the pudding.
I true, you know, understand. Say, we're young, we're going to make mistakes. Nobody's perfect. I enjoy my childhood. But, as we said, though, I know if she change, we know about me. Me go up on the road.
Alright. I
And
go with you now.
Father God, as me there just right now, I'm not praying because I'm praying.
No, nobody pray. Come in, I have
Father
nothing
God,
for you to
please
take.
make Daddy don't come back. No, Father
Nobody
God.
pray them the prayer.
Father
Go
God,
up on the
don't make
road,
Daddy
go up on
come
the
back.
road, go up on the road. You
Don't
should
make
have
Daddy
glad
come
say
back,
you have a father. You
Yeah,
know much
my
people
road.
don't know, I know a father. I would have give anything to have a father in them life.
Mommy, me know no father, you know. Especially that they want because they want they don't have no manners.
Wanty, can't get no wanty.
I be a push me, you know. And that's why I grow up and become one thief, I realize. Because my father is a thief, he used to thief when he young. And when me look up, all he know is push me down. Every time he push me down.
If you never give him cause, he wouldn't push you.
No, every time he push me, drop and my head and lose a couple of my senses. I mean, I have no more.
Go find them. Go on.
Me now find
Go
them.
find
But me
them.
I go find the road later.
Alright, God go with you. You must have changed because you're quiet. Alright, God go with you, Nando. No trials, no trouble, though. Me have faith in you now.
Why? I'm tired, sir. Hello.
How go on?
How your name?
It's a job on them call me though. So just stop asking me name. So happen.
May I beg your money?
I don't have the money.
What?
I don't have the money for you.
So if you don't have no money, you don't work?
Me no work. Just not have no money to give. So the girl run the same thing.
Which girl?
Two little sister run the place.
Oh! Shanice and Kayla.
Them same one. I know I see if I know the man.
No, man, I see him. I don't like you, girl. Them.
I think yes, differently still. See all them come here too.
Speaking of the devil themselves.
Where chat with a girl?
What chat here? You man ask me, I know, and I'm say yes. The little
two on the road and
yes,
here,
he said
say we are
the
thief.
two little, I man say you thief me. Me know not thief cow, not thief all kind of something.
Where you work at people say we are thief?
Me?
We got thief from you?
What mean?
Oh, thief from you, we give it back and we apologize.
Not everything.
And you can company when I go like say you walk out scandal off my name.
What scandal? See what scandal off your name them, mama?
You company road, I go to touch from about me a thief. Yeah, what?
But you a thief, it's true.
Who a thief?
You.
Me a thief, your mother man yet?
Me no know.
Eh?
I start already.
Bright out of all, me a thief, I'm fake out about me a thief. And
Yeah,
the next one too.
Thief like.
What?
Who a thief?
You.
What?
Me push off your dinner, girl.
I'm a push her back
for you. With me no. Shall come over here, so. Come over here, so. So she push me, you push her back. I hear a friend control her. A Rottweiler. Talk up around.
Where you put your sister on a
What the
leash?
thief from if you children should do that?
We apologize, I will give it back to you. Everybody not have to know.
Yeah, me, everybody have to know dirty deeds.
You right, tell them.
Question. How many name involved?
Because anytime your sister they fight, you always run left her. Why?
You want to fight now and we don't run left her?
Come on.
Me push her, you know. Me just want to push her.
More push me.
Box if you box her.
Me want to push you.
Yeah, you push me. Alright.
Come girl.
Hey, girl, you should run. You should run. You should have turn up. Me say, girl, nobody know. Girl, them dumb bad. But, me must come there one next year. Rough bad.
Run.
Oh, make a U-turn, woman.
Come here. Come here. Come here.
Daddy.
What are those here?
Daddy, we not out of here, Daddy.
What you call this?
A dream, a dream.
A dream.
Yeah, lock me eye.
Lock me eye.
Yes.
If I ever lock my eye if you no blank out. Remember me tell her that.
Lock you now.
One of those at the yard.
A dream.
Oh, I'm gonna take up on the
Mommy said we come look for you.
Your mother said they
Yes.
come for me.
To buy chicken.
To buy chicken.
To look what?
Your mother said they come for me.
Yeah.
Why you say you're mother like me?
Yeah, come here if you make look like someone that told me that you that. Mommy, I anyone now send them to come look for me. So me not have a phone where she can't call me. Alright?
But every time
No credit.
every time I left out here, they have a problem.
Because of a girl picking me. Uno a girl picking me. Me not make no extra picnic coming in my house. So me have to protect
You
her.
if you come in the house, you can't call the father.
Okay.
They come like you have plants, they come like you they grind.
Mama, let me ask you a question. You ever hear about 10 floor yet?
Mad people?
I'm glad you know. I don't know, me I go there.
Oh.
Cause when me lick out on the backside, when I go mad.
Every day I want to get up and batter abuse people. I'm tired of it. I want to jump off one big bridge.
I don't think you could have want to jump off of the tallest tower over America, you can do it.
Daddy, look here, yeah.
Lock me here, you know. I'm asking a question. I'm not asking my if we can come on the road.
No, we just tell us we are going on the road.
And she make us come on the road.
So you're blind, you know, see we.
So,
Yeah, now
my
walk.
mother go on the okay, if you come on the road.
Me tell Mama say Mama you go on the road, Mama say Mama not say nothing, me walk court. You come.
Come
Daddy!
Come here. You see this? And this? That can go straight down on the mama. And I'm going to really find out if I really your mama. Let it come up on the road. Look at me, man. Because the nose there is too big. So me like share it down. Come.
Somebody my hand, you like squeeze me hand. Daddy, you like squeeze me hand.
Yes, daddy. Where you
I see me see them on the road there. I don't know where they come from.
We have a tip now on fear.
Come. Let me try Come on. No, tell me that. Let me ask you a question. You didn't tell them 2 years they can't come out of the yard?
Come out of where? Me tell them say come out to the house and go
I didn't want me to
outside.
So you see your mother.
You didn't send them nowhere.
Daddy, she said, "Uno go on, uno father gone, so uno free to go anywhere you want go." That she tell me.
Papa, me not argue with them. You know me and you know them. Me tell them to go outside.
But me not say one liar. Me have to say you're senile. True, you get old to get to your
Hello,
head.
man, pinch her for years. Shut your mouth.
No, I remember
Me
last
not
year.
date nobody with senile. Don't do that.
Thank you.
She old now. Remember you did a date her from she young. She sick in her head part. She
I
just
wanna
tell
old
me, say, Daddy, she wake up now. Daddy gone, girls, and I can go wherever you want.
I saw you blatantly lie. I look in my eye and I'll tell lie for me little girl.
May I ask you one question?
And then I run and I hide.
What?
This man I cut you. This morning them come in to me, you know. I've changed, mommy. I've changed and they take me like idiots, you know. Me tell them to go outside and breathe. Them all ask me if you're gone. And yes, daddy gone. Thank God, daddy gone. You think me a cover phone now?
I now go nowhere, you know. I jam me live. I jam me work.
One and uno have to go.
One a uno or both a uno.
One and uno are both a
uno.
uno. I went to the pier and I can't say me went a month time.
That's yeah.
Miss Biggie man. Feather up, come here. Move Jack nose. Feather up, come here. Come here. Come here, feather up. Where you just a while ago?
Me did I say I can make shit come and make one new girl come?
So you're rather
Hey.
different woman than your mother in her house. So you can't get to go where you want, go look for man.
Not him just I realize
And we
something.
broke up the chain here, you look girl.
Not him just I realize something. Fit up beat me now, because I don't think me your daughter. Me say me a jacket.
No, you're not jacket, you're the whole full suit.
Coat and tie and
You don't have to
everything.
favor me, you favor your mother.
No, put it on me. Them
No.
disown me. You can't divorce your parents. Me divorce me,
I
pick
don't
me
know
them.
back to them in here.
No, put them on me, bro.
You know, fire from me, what I want to me knows I come down here.
You should have broke you.
Anyway, we buy something for you.
You want nothing.
No, but
buy
waste,
clothes. No,
you
we buy-
waste money upon them.
No,
When
man.
them a set man for kill you,
No,
you
baby,
waste.
that-
You
no,
broke
listen.
them.
I got with you now, you know.
Anybody
But this
that
we have
come
said
out of
nobody
big people
pick it.
argument.
No.
What you buy for me, Daddy?
We buy some nice clothes to them. We say with me, you know.
No,
when
for
we did their
clothes, me no
country.
want it.
Eh?
Me no want it.
Well, I'm not coming.
I want something in there for me too. Cause me a deal with you, pick me them.
Daddy,
When
no,
you're
no,
not
Daddy.
there.
Kid, mommy.
No, tell me, say, you, especially you want different, mother. Me and you are not nothing.
Buy,
From now to the ex there, me and you are not nothing, little
we
girl.
buy things for the living country for everybody. So,
Alright.
so
I don't want really I go on here, so.
we have to make sure that my girls, them, they don't get big. And
Yeah, talk
me no
about
want no man buy me no clothes for the road. So, it's a one for you.
have to joke. I have to joke this.
Look for this, daddy. Look for this and look for me.
Come.
Eh?
Put the foot them
Yes,
over the
man,
side.
it might help you keep it
Put the foot
close.
over the side, let me say, girl.
No, man, at the right
What
thing
you
to
talking
do.
about?
Me are
Look,
sure
keep
you
them
said to
close.
her we can't hold in eye. What for do with this? Take we not take you and give your woman.
Put
Me
it
don't
over
want
your
them a big
mouth, so your
something
mouth big.
Me don't want them a big something here.
How we do?
Me too smart for all of this.
And them your phone.
Then you for wear.
Me don't want
Keep the
it.
man them at
Me
bay.
don't want it. Me don't want
You want
it.
lock and key for that then now.
And this a feel. Yeah,
Yeah, me
right
can
side.
take it by give me man.
Kuya.
Give me this. Take it, use man. One.
Yes, liquor. Liquor
Wait,
that
which
they
man?
tell you ungrateful right.
Right. Ugly man. Eh, this a for you.
Or the bag.
No.
No.
I see we are getting something out of the back.
Oh, give them 1, 2 thing and me take the rest of the bag, man. Can me I deal with them?
It's a no. That's it.
That's a mine.
It's a fear. It's a fear. It's a fear.
What me not do with that? Daddy two of me can't hold in a this.
Yeah, man, you go green
No,
it.
this, listen up. This, I will make everybody say Paro as a lady. We'll find the top and match it.
Yeah, mother with you, daddy. Every time I want to treat people
This a
bad.
fear, baby. This,
I be an ugly sitting in your back.
just the man, they don't look for you.
You really
So,
mean for
mommy,
the man name not
mommy.
look for me?
Right.
Never mean there.
You not belong to me, no call me no mommy.
So
Call me
we
Shaz.
breakfast.
You know your mother.
You know, say me feel like me want wet up into our no.
This a for you, but now when time you're in my bed, you never take off. This is when I go on road, you wait them I wanna.
You know, so me no wear big baggy like for that. That you forget them. Make them put black and creep on that.
When breakfast day. Only they talk about clothes are hungry, me hungry. Cause me I go up so go check
You're
my
big
little
woman.
man and your job me
Earn
done.
your money.
Me
You's
did
a
I
big
go to my man for
woman.
money and
You's
me
a
tell me
big
back
woman. But my nice things, them man.
Oh,
And nice things me want.
Yolanda.
Give the ugly things them today. Cause them not no manners. You know, some me always treat you right.
I can take your father. Bad bless never take you.
Bless you, don't take me for your parents
I
like
see
a
it, I mean,
woman.
I don't every time I beat me and I share the two no talk about it, but she have man.
Remember you have man too, but
Wait,
you're
yeah.
a man of 48 years old.
Me
Man,
have man. Me don't know man, daddy. The only man me have, daddy, is Father God.
Father God is not 42.
For T.
Daddy, age is just a number.
The man older than you,
Let me
daddy.
ask you a question. Age is just a number, right? And every day you not complain about the tin food that went in there, right? Why couldn't you not just say the tin food then come like the meat?
Daddy,
Daddy, if you understand, say, we young, so you're gonna make mistake.
No. Young no means you're not gonna make mistake. Young means you're not feel wise up on yourself. You don't want to have belly. When you don't catch belly, the man then gone left you know. And me and the mother they
No,
have
daddy, if me catch belly, the man gone left me gone left the belly too. Me not turn with it. Right.
we are born with belly. So if you catch it, I can catch it. The bag goes.
You're born with money to go find something in the find something.
we
in
don't know.
there. You're lucky, say. Me no use my foot and kick you out.
You're
Go
lucky.
find something in there, big woman. You're a big woman
No,
now.
no,
Now nobody come to me and your father, but me need
daddy,
oil, me
me
need
have to find
this.
road and
And nobody spoil them neither.
Go for which road?
The road of this a come off, and I road down
If you think you're a big man, go on through the gate.
That me want.
If you think you're
Let's see her. Make she go.
Me
Make
can
she
go
go
to
on.
daddy.
And not come back neither.
Me I go to.
I feel like sir.
Me can go.
I do something wrong all the day of my life. Give me a yard then. Come
You need some time to cleanse.
You want to go for the road now? You want to go for the road now? You want to go for the road now?
Not here.
Hey, you want to go for the road?
Oh, no.
You want to go for the road?
You're
One.
brute, yo.
One.
Oh, yes.
Go on in before me kick you inside. Go on. You don't even have enough sense to get out outside. Go on then. I mean, use the police beat you.
Go on.
Go on. Ungrateful.
No, go nowhere. Me can't see.
One.
Oh.
No, your son a real father. Go on. It's when I come in, I'll pepper me a pepper on the guy, that's when we can't see people are rude. Go on.
I'm not trying to name family. I'm not telling you.
Go on.
Make your heart say that.
Go on in. In. You wait till I hold that one there. I wrote me, I go feel him. You wait. I want to show him talking to them.
Me wouldn't even go for him. Me done with them. Me done. Whatless. What you say you're doing at the kitchen then now, little girl?
Mommy, Daddy there?
You must be senile.
Daddy there, mommy?
Me and mommy know.
Daddy there? Daddy there? Daddy there?
Go. Say you run with.
Me go up on the road. You never hear me say Daddy there?
I'm gone.
Oh, my idiot man.
Him a idiot till him there. In front of him a dog, Mr. Dog. Behind him a dog. Eh? You too rank for me.
Mommy, me sick auntie Daddy. I want to go on the road and do road. Me want to go on the road and do road. Me a hot girl. Me young.
You're young and reckless.
It's not reckless.
Lie.
It's not lie.
So.
Mommy, when I tell lie, I get paid.
Me pay you?
No.
So why you tell lie to
me?
me?
Thief the money them and tell lie, me get paid because me have the money for myself and then I get the people in my come here.
So how you get paid? We not get nothing. We not get nothing. You come to we. Mommy, me no want mackerel. Me no want chicken back. A chicken leg me want. A chicken breast me want. And me and your father for provide. And then when you must have money pan you now. Cause when you have money, your chest high. We a dog. We are worth no one.
So me ask you one question.
Me call him a goat.
So me ask you one question now. Who tell you say when me go up on the road that I'm a thief? Me a thief, me and unu. Who tell you that? Who tell you that?
So who tell you say you can bend corner? Mommy, daddy there. You're trespassing right now, you know, little girl.
I am live.
No.
And you see, me now coming like Shanice.
You see when
me they get rid of daddy.
Rent money. You see when Juvie come for rent money. And you me a send us from then. And you had the big one.
I don't care.
He's a senile one, so me no need to pay no rent.
But mommy, you too lie.
No,
me see. Mommy, I know me see me get the lioness from. No, me see it. Because you too lie. This man will tell you when you go up and you go tell you about yourself we out of come sit down.
No, you know how
you see how you lie?
You not like
you see how you lie?
You not like it.
You have to tell lie.
You not like
Left
it.
lie to me.
You not like it. You
come and tell lie. Yawa.
The kid I try kid the kid, a little girl. The pig you raise our teeth. Me raise the mother and the granny done dead. You think so you can like a different page now. Me no mommy no more. Different.
Mommy, you know what? Mommy, you don't want me to
show you how it feel, baby love. It's not nice, isn't it?
Nobody tell lie for you. Me tell lie for you. Me not tell a lie for you.
We have short memory and you saw me see now. What's the way your memory short, eh?
What me tell lie for you, mommy?
Yeah, me have too much for you, little girl. And the tables turn.
All me want to know say. You see, daddy? Daddy better not say a war between me and this thing. Better not sleep. Because me am a battle in this because me a run a yard. Me my ex.
Because me want no say.
Me run a yard. Me run the yard.
This game longer than you. So,
she my ex, yeah. Me run the yard, daddy don't run no yard.
Circle too. Don't forget the knots and crosses. It name knots and crosses.
You feel that joke? You think that you're a bad man? You think that you're a bad man? He asked me say.
You make me and him another.
No business. Here, daddy. If you feel to say you're bad, go through the gate. I may go through there.
And you pick your head round the corner. Mommy, daddy's there.
Mommy, you just can't stand you.
No, go along then.
No business, me I go in, me business.
Bye.
I'm say full cook too.
Bye.
But and then you know, every day you get up, you know, you pray, you preach. Yeah, every time you preach and pray, I didn't want me thief. That prayer man can't pray right. Every time you pray. Yeah, preach. Me young, I'm want to go out. Party me want to go more can drink white rum. I want to go all about. You come and tell me in the house.
Drink about it too. Hello.
How you gonna do that? Mommy, now gonna make me go on the road. Cause right now, me tell you the truth. Me drain. Me tired feeling that argument with her right now.
Alright, let's show you what to do.
What go do?
Lock off.
But what I did is Mama.
Lock off, Mama.
And then say, well, we are going to learn how to catch water.
Yes, I want a beard.
So how long you plan to go for?
Me I got road for long. Me cover it up so she no see it. She should think she has.
So where the bucket there where we have to go find? Where back to?
Mama, me not carry on pipe. Me tell her say me I go come run a back for something, for a pipe, and go. Me not come run for nothing. Me tell her say me I got pipe. Put it some more.
Sala we are telling.
Take your deaf, man. Come on. Tell the two of them say. Not
Daddy
there.
no must did it. What him right?
Mommy. You know say me want to go bed. And I want another pipe. I want another water now come.
Then lock up water again.
Mm-hmm.
You see them the people wicked and bad and I like see black people have anything. I mean I have a bucket of washing for do, you know. Alright, go get some water for me.
Another pipe.
No, we don't catch water for you, we catch water for ourselves.
Oh yeah, I forget some of big people. Go fetch water then.
Yeah, alright, later.
Make your man catch water for you.
Oh God. Yeah, we're home now.
Alright.
Kayla, Chinese.
Then there.
Everybody know there. We don't understand it.
Them wicked people lock off water the day again. So them want bed. So them say them gonna pipe. So them gonna catch water.
No, hold on. We don't understand. The people them cut off the pipe here.
Again.
Hold on. Something alright. Give me a second. Just a second.
Alright. Do you think?
Hello. You know say I lock off, then lock off round there.
I lie you tell.
And put this a cloth over it.
I lie you tell.
You see? I tell you.
This morning then tell me we change.
Then cannot change the
We never
troublemaker.
trust them.
And thief too. You running in them blood but I know me coming of a thief.
How you?
Well, one time.
Me used to go church when me meet you. I was a good girl and you corrupt me and breed me. And tell me say you gonna stand by me. So I know me then get it from and I know my family then get it from so nobody go there.
I just one time that. One time there's a thief out of the house. Yeah. That's a little one time. That's not really one big thief.
And no time for me. So where the thief out of the two, where then get it from? So change the subject and nobody put the blame on me. Here come tired of everybody now.
You know what me I gotta do right now? I'll tell you the truth. You see when I book them up, me think if broke the two of them.
Yes, so that you for do. Me see you carry them round here the other day. Yes, so that you for do.
They say no cruel to dumb animal, but them are not dumb animal. Them are talking animal. Me I got broke his foot. And the hand because them attack.
I'll broke the tongue too. Cause that I make the trouble.
But you shouldn't make them come out here. You should have made them wait upon me.
What me fi do lock them up? You never tell me what time you come.
So okay. So
me fi lock them up the whole time. You know come and see what me have to deal with 24/7.
Me nah go through it with them. Me's a one father. Alright.
Yeah man, deal with it. Deal with it. The big one you fi pick up. And
You
two
see,
you fi pick up. One
anyone that give me see I come here, don't blame me.
No. And
Blame
anything you bring back me finish.
Blame yourself.
Anything you bring back me done.
Remember me telling you.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Sorry about the other idea, but the food you cook in them.
Did you feel that way?
I know.
Just approach me so.
Yeah. I know what I'm sorry about that.
So what your problem now?
But come here, if you tell us you look nice.
Me?
Yeah, you look very nice.
Me look nice.
That one me there, sir.
Or something you beg.
Nah, go. You look nice. I look color. Just.
So me black.
Yeah, me like black man. I love black man. You look nice. You think I'm going?
I don't know what can go on now.
Oh my God, yes, sir. Mama, the last time I check, a man look woman. Yeah, and you look man. I see you desperate.
I look right up man I look too.
Listen to me now.
You're very
It's a
desperate.
too little bit enough. Now little picnic, you must go and now little picnic and that we can be good man. Top follow she.
I mean a bigger one.
Yeah, follow she. Don't.
No, I'm here for the
Shut up
shit.
your mouth. I'm
No,
going to be
you
busy.
come like you want, like me in my
I'm
mouth.
full of argument though. Man.
Go on.
No,
Start up on my foot and make it.
just imagine what the hell you done there, so. Eh, say,
Wait to boy you want man.
Stop your mouth.
I know you're good, girl, look
Tell me
you.
just like
But
giraffe.
Helmet
Answer
head.
you.
Tell what about me and my giraffe body.
Fix my helmet head
You see me a walk and look man? You see me a walk and look man?
You
Like
see me
a
a
walk and
look,
look
man?
man?
You see me a look, man?
Me see ya look the man yeah. That man yeah look boy yeah look man. Look where to boy yeah look man.
Me not gonna argue with
Goodbye,
you.
yo.
Me not argue with you.
Goodbye,
Me
yo.
have telephone
They
number that
can't
says she
argue
needs
with
me.
me.
£50 and I could go and
Ah, you can't
I
argue
need
with
to do
me.
with your one.
And
You know, you need to do with your one. Tear up in the answers. And listen to this now.
She
Listen to this now. Because I don't tell me this, I try out.
Well,
My
well,
sister might look like a
okay,
girl,
well,
but no, she not have to
must
walk
come
and look no man, because man look hard. You want your, I want to fix the helmet head.
Daddy, Daddy,
beat them.
Daddy, the woman think that we're tired.
Beat him.
And she talk with daddy. And she talk with daddy. That she older than she
Yes,
talk
you
with
never touch my
her.
daughter. If this one here.
She talk with her daddy.
This one is my daughter friend.
Who chuck you?
She.
Chuck her back. Chuck her back.
Give me your phone
And
and
chuck her back.
Chuck her back. You know, chuck my picnic.
Your sister, she have beat me.
I want me to feed you for.
I'm chuck her.
What me to feed you for?
Stop your mouth now.
No,
You
for me,
want
give
one.
me sipper.
You me one wall. Long time.
Daddy, she lick me, daddy.
Go on. Go down. Go down. You go down. Go down.
Don't ramp with me on that.
You see you?
Daddy, I know me.
When you want about the
Daddy, I
little
know
picnic them.
them. Daddy, I want that green come and talk to my father, man. Are you picking it up?
No, me don't know she.
Oh.
She look like she bad in the 80s.
Yeah, man, she come and talk to my father. But what she there for right
I
now?
go one more time. As a man to man. Please, me, I beg you. So when I see my daughter, them come. No, yes, so. Where they trash them ass.
No, me no beat people picking father.
No, me I get it up. Because if you don't beat them.
When me beat them now, you come back and come try to analyze me.
No. Because if you don't beat them, and me come back and see you, I'm going to analyze you. Because I'm going to say you have sex with them.
You're mad.
That's why I say beat
But
them,
you
send them.
can't assume when you sit there, daddy.
Any little girl picking it come near you, talk to you like you want to look here, you can beat them.
Oh, that different, but I beat them, I run them.
No, when you run them, they don't want to move.
You're mad, man.
You beat them.
No, man, I have to embarrass them, daddy, sometimes.
Alright, you embarrass them there.
Yeah, but I beat nobody fitness.
Cause, I tell you the truth, you know. I come back here one more time, go see them turn up your say, you know. It's not go pretty, you know.
Me know say it's not go pretty.
Because me I go say, oh, the man them there.
You can't say that though.
What else you
If
go?
you alright, if you see me stand up here so I hold my own and them pull up. And ask, I could have time they ask for you, come see them ask
Yeah,
time.
me I go watch it
Hold
so
on
long
now.
them turn up here.
You watch how long you want to stay, but you have to approach your picnic, make you approach me.
But as you want,
You put yourself in a problem
when
now,
I see
daddy.
the, no, listen, when I see the little pitting them at top, you know, run them or beat them.
Me not beat people.
Don't hold no argument with them on the road.
Alright.
You understand?
Pick up yourself, right.
Even dash water upon him.
No, it's me.
Me never, but you see when I go down there,
You
I
fix
want-
them business for them.
I go and put the two of them on their knee. You might not see, they might come back here without no head this time. Cause I go and limb off head them.
I know you have seen that.
You see only one tall one there with the jack and nose?
Oh.
Yeah, I'm going to make it turn right now so I want nose.
What is your name?
You try to tie up my mouth, you know.
Fix a charger, charge one for you.
Mommy. Oh, yeah, that is so.
Two little pilling gang and beat me.
Mommy, you can't make two little pilly gang and beat you.
Remember, say I'm a one.
Big grab back home and you.
I'm a one. Me can't be two somebody one time. One, me hold one and the other one have me.
The next one had you.
Yes, I go.
Could you let Maga? I said they didn't for me the other day. I knew you by myself.
Why?
But they never beat me.
I never beat you. I just thought this is done as I know.
Everybody not done that
I've
so.
been not done.
Let's see I get beat up.
Don't worry yourself.
Relax.
Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. I deal with it. You have to deal with it.
I will never get beat up at you.
Yes.
What
But
can
your
you
mother
do?
want about. Listen to me. I want the mother, the father, and the two people.
You see your mother
Everybody.
look. You like your mother?
Yeah, me
Mother
like
come
her.
on with me.
But don't worry yourself, my
So mommy,
daughter.
you're not going to take out the
Never
little
do
clothes
this me
there.
and you. No one never be here. Never be here.
So go and look at me.
You're hungry. So many days I do.
I'm phone with it there.
I do what?
Watch TikTok.
Miss.
Yes.
I'm going to the kitchen there. I'll go something for you eat. Me have a beard.
Mommy. More curry chicken.
That has nothing to do with me. You must learn to cook.
Mommy, you can't cook.
No, I'm not cooking vibes right now. I'm not warring vibes right now.
You don't want to worry, I bet them beat up already.
Me I go back for revenge. You tell me about beat up already. Today I feed them later for me or tomorrow for me. Don't come on me. Go in the kitchen, go look for something to eat because I'm not going in there.
Mommy, you're not going to be here.
That me I go do. One in the kitchen, I go in the bathroom.
Mommy. Pick up food, mommy. Pick up food, mommy. Say you're tired, mommy.
Wow.
Remember what I said, you want water for the beer. But no water never did the pipe, so we end up
No
walk
water there the pipe can only lock off the water.
Who told her that?
Your father.
Who tell you that?
Your father.
Pick up food,
Your
mommy.
For who?
How we pay you?
Pay with who? What?
Pay your rent.
What?
I'm not come to beat
So they
you
come catch up the
again.
road and beat me.
Oh, your daddy you run
Big
from?
road, yes.
Oh, and you want me to catch a feet for you from your father? You're mad. When
You
you see me a
can't do something
heifer.
one time.
Remember, say me a heifer. I no divorce me. You think so something?
So you can't do
So
something.
what your father go beating her for?
Because in the catch you attack.
You get
Hey!
me a fight. I don't know about a man.
I fight who?
Dirty girl.
Which
You
girl?
fight the girl later.
Hey, hey! Judgment!
Miss Big
Nobody
Woman.
run behind me. Me not in this.
Miss Big Woman.
Miss Big Woman.
Miss Big Woman.
Come on,
Woman.
from behind me. You're the big woman.
Woman.
So,
Because
come
me
from
not
behind
know
me. Me not
people
in
here.
this. You're a big woman.
Me not know how old you be. How old you be?
No member.
Because 17-year-old member. Let me ask you a question. Have I ever not gone to breakfast no morning?
Yes. The time me the cook and me find them, me tell them me never want to get taste like sangria.
Then no breakfast?
No, because you never give me when me
Have
want.
I ever not given you no lunch?
Yes, no.
I'm missing no road.
No, but I'm
Who
Hey,
send you a road,
nobody
daddy?
bring me into
You know
this.
who send you a road?
Have I never provide any dinner for none of you?
Yes. No, when you had shot no food, not provide, because you don't talk.
Then you pick the food, you see, Papa.
and you will
All
get
when
it
they're in
from.
trouble, then they know how to hold their mouths.
Have I ever
Wow.
never come here and I
That's
bring
enough
back
for me.
clothes for you? Huh? What? Open your mouth, let me hear what you say.
Then I no sense in
What me
it.
say?
Mommy say, what we mouth?
Then I
Me
no
say, open
sense
up your
in
mouth.
cry for.
Me ever
Back
come
up
here
from
and
me,
I
me don't
take
want the
clothes
lick.
from country come go no? Me make sure me
Big
buy
come
it.
with something you can come. Big long jaw. You know what I mean, something there?
You know most people that mind get them
Come on,
jazzy.
yeah, she gonna go out the road, the print out.
Body cleaner for do. That big man. Them that
Daddy, me
your
a
body
17,
cleaner.
daddy, and the government say me reach the age of consent.
You and the government is backside.
Me reach the age of consent. Me
When
feel
they breed,
like
alright. When they breed, you hear? Make sure you go to a government office and tell them, say, you reach age of consent and you breed, they have to mind you.
You can't put
The
the
big
penny
no.
pan pot.
A big no.
You know much part of the picnic?
Daddy.
Yes, $2,300 every other month.
And that's your whole.
No, but we go thief your money when me and pray. We just take it.
And Daddy, and then I realize something. You can't lick me again.
Why me can't
Me a big 17-year-old, me a take big wood, cause me big.
Why,
Me big.
Hey.
Okay.
Me big now, me a big woman.
Divorce, we are so
Me
make
turn
it
up.
turn big
Me a
woman.
big woman.
I see where you did the attitude from.
Hey.
You follow your mother footsteps when
Nobody
she,
bring me in this.
when she used to
but
jump
follow
through a
mine.
window. Alright. No problem.
Big.
No problem.
Go take big
The
wood.
government say when
When
me
pick up,
reach
sir.
Take big
When
wood.
you
now.
dig hole,
16,
Yeah.
me
when
should
you
have
dig
answered.
hole for,
Where there? Where
You
there?
know what she
when
said?
you dig too.
If you come take big
Yeah,
wood
I
now,
won't mind.
take big lick.
Listen now,
This will do.
listen to me.
Sandwich.
When you dig too.
Yeah, two. Two.
My father not put you over me.
I bury me, I bury you, you know. Cause me now raise no big woman, you know. Cause
Daddy, we not gonna stay little forever.
And the
Girl.
attitude and the mouth.
man, me get the shovel instead I use the shovel to take up the dirt and time I dig in wood.
You would stay little forever.
What is it say?
Hey.
You sure you say in life everything grow.
Yeah, man, everything grow for true.
Everything grow. Well, a big woman.
No shit. You never say me no big woman.
Alright. You see, I stand today. Since I
Me a
got big woman.
picnic.
I stand today, you help pay light bill. Water bill.
But we not pay a light bill, daddy a thief, we a thief light.
Everything.
Oh, you can't chat so. Oh, you can't chat so. You idiot?
Yeah, yeah.
Eh?
Mother forced to make it liquor of the food.
Good.
Me
You know,
really a fool for put
Miss
up with
Big
you.
Woman, 17-year-old we take big old cucumber. So you feel say, 2 years take big old cucumber. Me no.
Yes, that she deserve. That she deserve. Tell the other one to. Tell the other one to. And beat the other one. Beat the other one. Lick the other one. Well, hey, fam. Oh, yes, man. Go ahead, Franco. Head, Franco. Put it down, guys. Liquor, you take good. You take good.
Move, baby. Babes. Move, babes.
Yeah, man.
Babes, move.
Take it. You take this one. Yes.
Listen to them picture.
A big wood they want. A big wood them forget.
Girl,
Look, see ya.
I'm going to push the one big old pepper sauce down in your bumper hole. You wait.
And that's your fiddle.
Listen,
And pass it back.
You see how you-
Nobody covered it with me.
I beg
And you
you.
then take it from.
You better pray your last prayer because me are very chown in this
Which
place.
tree?
One
No,
stress,
say you
two
give one
stress,
for
three
you, give
stress.
one for yourself. I feel your fault. If you was more around, eh? You
Yeah,
come in
man.
and you breathe in and you breathe out. What you expect?
Me have to breathe in and breathe out come here work.
Uh-huh. But you not show them no care. You not show them no love.
Me?
And this is the outcome of it.
When they
Eh?
show them love, they
You
don't
tell
show
them
other
say-
man love. You don't show
tell
them love, they
say
show them
you come.
business.
Me
Let them
get
learn.
them ready. Then I look out of the window. Daddy, I come. Daddy, I come. No, daddy. And me have to wipe them tears in a Popeye. And me have to fight with
So,
them. When you go to the street, I try and I pray and I fun.
So
and
what
I
are
soccer. And me one.
So I mean, then time for.
And you make them answer yes.
When me the younger, you the younger. I me jump to the window, now you jump to the window.
Judge,
At
you
night
wouldn't
time.
have nothing to do with it.
Eh?
What that have to do with it? And me raise them. When you had fun going hoo hoo hoo. And me raise them when I go wow wow wow. Me hungry and me. Everything and me. When you out there have fun.
alright.
And me.
Ma
Me
take-
done.
ma take it,
Me done.
Me take
Take it
2%
for
of
you
the bill.
deserve it. Me done with all that.
2% of the
Done.
bill. That man change one of the message. You wait.